we go. All right, so people, if you're jumping on Zoom right now, just please mute yourself if you're not talking. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So it should be on YouTube now. Okay, perfect, excellent. That works. That works. All right, everything seems to be working just fine. So yeah, let's grab that chat box here. And all right, I think we are good to go. We are good to go. All right, so YouTube's slowly coming in. Perfect, excellent. Excellent, excellent. Good morning, bon matin. Ça va très bien. Good morning, guys. All right, so give me 1 second. I'm just gonna go grab water and we're gonna be able to get going. It's perfect. It's gonna give us a couple minutes for people to join. So we're gonna be a full breakdown for GJ, and yeah. So I think we're gonna have a pretty good day today. We're gonna have some guests also. I mean, not guests. I mean, they're actually part of the Market Fluidity Gang. And we also gonna have maybe someone that said he's probably gonna show up today, so that's gonna be pretty cool, pretty excited about that. So we'll see that later on. So all right, so give me 2 minutes here, and I'll be right back. All right, guys. Perfect. So everybody, let's get started. All right, so let's jump into the monthly time frame here. All right, so everybody's ready for a great day?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. All right, so this is the monthly chart, right, that we're looking at. Of course, I mean, we've been trending bullish for a while now on the monthly. And the monthly broke previous high, respected previous low. So technically this monthly should be good to go. Eventually, this is going to be a nice wick fill here on the monthly. I don't know if it's going to happen this month or next month, but we have a lot of space here to the left side. But we have this small resistance here that we're going to have to be very careful about it. But again, let's go to the weekly. And guys, tomorrow I'm gonna talk a little bit more some French because it's supposed to be a Franglish Zoom, so I'm gonna be alternating between both languages. But today I'll focus more on English, right? So, all right. So now weekly, looking at it, I mean we've been trending bullish also. Now the weekly actually just I think barely, yeah, broke previous high on the weekly. So technically, I mean, we came down, I think, to create that bottom wick, and now we should be good to go. Or we might see a bearish move today, and during the week, probably Tuesday, Wednesday, start pushing up, for the weekly, because we still need that bottom wick, right? So me just place my PTP here. I completely forgot about it. All right, so we're talking about the weekly. So now let's jump into the daily. All right, so looking at the daily, I mean, we had this support here on the daily. Now price Friday broke previous high, respected previous low. Same thing here on this new daily. So now we're coming down to create bottom wick, and after that we should be good to push up, right? So same idea here. Looking at the 4-hour, that's where I started to put my my zone here. So we got this support right here. We got this one here that adjusted on the H1, and yeah, so price is just at this 4-hour resistance here and start to came down. Once we break this, I mean, we're gonna be good to go to the upside. And after that, next zone on the 4 hours is gonna be around like 145, 600, right? So I mean, we're trending pretty much bullish, but we need to keep in mind that we need to go bearish for a little while before coming back up. So again, price on 1 hour was ranging. So here was a range, finally broke under that range. So now we should come down a little bit more and before pushing back up. I'm just looking at the screen because I actually entered a trade just earlier. And you know what? Let me close this here. We'll close that position right here. This one, I'm gonna let it go. Okay, perfect. So just reduce my risk here. Okay, so looking at the 30-minute, you'll see why I entered that short counter trend. I actually secured some profit, like at I think like 7 pips. And now let me just close this. I don't trust it anymore. All right, so the reason why I actually entered that small counter trend here is after this break of the zone, actually price closed under this zone. No wick at the bottom though. Next candle came up, retest, and came down and create that support. So I actually entered one position on the opening of this new candle and actually 2 more position while retracing up, and I secured some profit like I think it was like 7 pips, I think, if I remember correctly. It was like what, oh, not even 5 pips. I was quick on the trigger. I saw some profit. I just closed like 50%, you know, because I knew it was counter trend and it was like a short-term trade, right? So just scalp it pretty quickly, and now when it came back to my entry, I closed it at that 1 pip profit, and that's it, you know. So when you do that, this type of counter trend, don't be greedy, you know. Just grab a small amount of pip and run away, you know, because my idea is still bullish, right? So so we should come back up and break those zones, but I don't want to be trading in this, so let's write it down here. It's gonna be a no. Whoa. No trade zone. So hopefully that's clear for everyone. And I want to see price buy above this zone. But sales actually made sense, you know, because I mean, it was clean traffic to the left side. I was expecting at least to come down to 500 before coming back up, but I didn't trust it while it was coming back to my entry, and it broke previous low, so that's why I got out, you know. If I have an opportunity to give this bearish move maybe a second chance, maybe, but I'm not too excited about it. I'm just gonna wait for buys and we'll see how it goes. But if I have a big sign for bearish, yes, I might take a look at it, because I mean we have some clean traffic here to the left. So, all right. So let's see here. We have some chart incoming. All right? So what's up? All right. So let's see here. All right. So let's go check this chart up. Oh no, this is my chart. Oh, on Zoom you can actually paste the full link. On Zoom you can actually paste the full link. I don't know why it's not working. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Here we go, Gary's. Alright, so let's go. Oh, it's actually showing here. Okay, perfect. All right, so this is Gary's trade here. So let's take a look at it. This is the 30-minute on GJ. At this short marked up, but missed it being away from the computer. First target was white line. Yes, that was exactly my kind of idea, but I waited for this candle to close bearish. And I put my stop above the 15-minute to have a smaller stop, right? So yeah, that's pretty good. Sales below 144, 440. I don't know. I don't like those area here.
Hey Sasha, that chart didn't show up on the Zoom chart.
The what, sorry?
The chart that you reviewed, Gary's one.
Yeah.
It didn't show up on the Zoom chart. We're just seeing your chart now.
You're just seeing my chart on Zoom?
Yeah.
Oh, wait a second. Wait a second.
Morning, Sasha.
Morning. So why is that happening?
Yeah, now we can see it.
Now you see it?
Yes.
That is so weird. And now can you see my chart?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about now? Can you see Gary's chart?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect then.
Good morning, Sasha.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. All right, so let's go see next chart here. All right, so what's up, YouTube? YouTube. Good morning, Sasha. Morning. Hey, Sasha, I need the Zoom link to join Charlene FX. Yes. You can find it. You go on my IG, and you'll find it in my Telegram. Hey, Sasha, or you can ask Char. Oh shit, I forgot to send it to Charlene actually. Hold on, give me 1 sec here. Completely forgot. Sorry. Let's do this here. Actually forgot to send it to the gang. Here. Let's go to here. Boom. Let's go to here. Let's see who else I'm missing here. Oh yeah. Kerwin. Well, Kerwin should see it on the Slack, but I'm not gonna take a chance. Send it to Mac also just in case. And alright, so the gang received it, right? Boom. Yeah, alright, that's great. Just see here. All right. Sorry, guys. All right. Any thought on gold, Sasha? Yes. If you send your chart, we're gonna take a look at it. It will be my pleasure to take a look at it. So let's see, Wasim. All right. I don't know why it keeps on opening up a new window. Can you now see the new chart on Zoom?
No.
That's weird. Why does that? I don't know. So weird. So weird. So now can you see it?
Yeah, so.
Okay. All right. So we got this chart coming up. This is GA. All right. 15-minute. Whoa. What is that? Man, I don't know how, man. You got some pretty good eyes, man, because I can see shit on this. Maybe because I'm getting old, I don't know, but sorry, man, I cannot help you with this. I mean, there's random lines here doing like some crazy funky stuff, and yeah, sorry, man. You gotta zoom in so we can see those candles, because right now I mean, I have no idea what's going on here, but yeah. So sorry, man, cannot help. Um, okay, same idea here. Okay, so I mean, again, we cannot see anything here. All right, so let's move to the next one. Why it's not opening? Why it's not opening? Here we go. Can you see the new chart now on Zoom?
No. Yeah, actually, yeah, I can see it. Yep.
Yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay, so I don't know why it's... Anyways. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is GJ 30 minutes. Okay. So we got some waves here. That's cute. All right, so Asian London range established below daily key level. Makes sense. Price broke support but closed with no wick. Risky sell after price broke and retest bullish trend. Yeah, it's risky because we are in a bullish trend, yes, but I mean it's clean traffic here. That's why I actually took that sell. But it was a short term, so that's why I closed in profit, and small profit, and that's it. I'm done. Not done for the day, but say for self price closed below 380. Again, I don't know about this noise here to the left. I'm not convinced about those sells. Hopefully we can get price to go up here and close above 144, 890 something. That'll be much better. But yes, sales can make sense though. If we get a second confirmation here for sales, I think that would be great because we got some clean traffic to at least this support right here. So yes, that would totally make sense. Best wishes from Pakistan to you, sir. Oh, thank you, Wasim. Sasha, do you think that they are good sales below 144, 575? Like again, 575, 575. Like under here. Oh yes, that can make sense. You get this clean candle here, but I got this QP because that's why I was aiming this 500. For sales, and after that probably gonna start rejecting because don't forget we're trending bullish, right? So we are trending bullish, but at this stage, if we break this, if we start to go lower than this, so I guess we're gonna get a change of direction now. If we start closing under this 588 kind of, it's gonna be a change of direction. If you look at 4 hour, 4 hour now is just like fully bearish, broke previous low, just melting, and we got this clean traffic to the left on 4 hours. So yeah, we might see this move down before coming back up, right? So like I said before. Um, all right, so let's see here. This is a chart coming from YouTube. Copy and someone is typing pretty hard on this keyboard. All right, so this is GA. All right, so GA look like it's consolidating. I'm gonna take a look at GA also. Support here, resistance, yes. Been in a tiny range since market open, waiting for a strong break below this area, looking good for sales. Okay, yeah, especially that just been melting for a while, now consolidating. Yeah, so if you get this break and looking to the left side, I mean, you got some clean ass traffic here. So that's gonna be good. Yeah, if we can get a nice break and retest, that's gonna be good on GA. Pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at it. What's wrong with my in? Hey, what's up, the stash, man? That was the guy I was talking about last week. The guy with the stash, man. He has the biggest stash ever. Pretty awesome. So I guess my short was turning back into the right direction right now, um, but I closed it, so that's fine. Um, all right, so now let's go back to our chart here. Let's take a look at GA because GA is interesting. Interesting GA. What a range, man! What a range! What a range! Oops. That's a pretty good range here. So yeah, if we break under, looking at the left, oh yeah, yeah, I'm gonna keep an eye on GA because that can be really interesting here. Looking at 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hours just been bearish. We got this resistance being formed on 4 hour, broke previous low, and I mean we came up, create that top wick. So yes, if we start breaking this low, I'm not gonna take an impulse because for me it's too early for an impulse. I only take impulse around like 8:30, 9:30, and I wait for those 30 minutes. So for my trading plan, it doesn't make sense. But for people who likes to not break, sorry, but trade those impulse entry, I think once you break those low here, you're gonna be fine rocking. But again, I'm waiting. So if we can get this 30-minute to close under this zone, that's going to establish resistance here, and I think we can get maybe a small retest and shoot back down. So I think G is looking actually pretty amazing if we can get that break and retest. Yep. That's pretty good. I like it. I like it like that. All right, so let's see what we got here. GJ is still doing nothing. Whoa, someone is in party. All right, let's see here. GA stay in golden zone yet? I mean, there's no golden zone at this point because I mean price is ranging. This golden zone works best when market is trending, and now you cannot. There's no way you can place the fibs in there. So it might work, but most of the time it will not work. So that's why I'm not using it in this kind of situation. So that's why when you have tools, you need to understand like when and where to use those tools. It's really important. It's not because you get tools that you start to use those tools at any situation. I mean, if you have like a nail to put in a piece of wood, you're not going to use a screwdriver, right? It's just like doesn't make sense. So same idea here. All right, so we got Mark the Stash sending the chart here. So let's take a look at it. All right. High is made. Looking for support to be formed to retest the high, and looking for support to be formed to retest the high. Yeah, that makes sense. That make totally sense. Especially that now we're gonna have room since price came down, but we just gotta be very careful about this area here because it was ranging before. So like this area right here. So we're gonna be very careful. But yes, if price can come down a little bit more, that'll be amazing for buys to go up.
Yep. Ouais, c'est vrai, j'avais oublié le 144 750. Je l'avais pas mis.
Makes sense.
C'est un bon QB.
Ouais. So you see how this key level was really well respected, that 750. You see how many times it got tested, and it's crazy how well respected this QP was. So all right, so looking at
Hey Sasha, quick question.
sure.
You see how the bullish kind of respected the 750? Wouldn't you say an impulse entry as we broke the low would be good?
On the 30-minute right now?
Yeah.
Yes, it can. It can. For me, it's going against my personal rules, so I'm not gonna take it, but it can work definitely.
Not right now, but before was the previous bullish one.
This one?
Yeah, as we broke that low there.
Oh yeah. I was looking at it. I was, it was tempting. It was really tempting, but I didn't do it again because it was against my rules. But yes, especially that it went up first. Actually, it went up first, didn't broke previous high, and start coming down. So for me, it was a very good setup. So I can expect price to melt. And actually, if people took it on the break of the low, I think he got you 10 pips or close to it, if I'm not wrong. Is it? Yep. So 11 pips. So probably with your spread you had 10 pips. So yeah, it made totally sense. It was just too early for me for impulse entry. Now these days, I made a test. It was last week or the week before. I told myself, all right, I'm not taking any more. Not anymore, but I'm not taking impulse entry on 15 minutes, 30 minutes. If it's not the right timing. The right timing for me, it's NY open market or NYSC market open. So for me, I take impulse when there's volume in the market only, because I got too often I got faked out. Taking an impulse entry too early. Sometimes it's just like, and I end up closing minus 2 pips, 4 pips. I still manage my risk, but I'm like, why taking that small loss if I can just move that small loss away from me? So this is just my thinking.
Makes sense. It was a counter trend, that's why I was like, nah, I don't want to take that.
Yeah, well, exactly. That's the other thing also, going against the trend. So yeah. All right, so looking at the chart here, Kerwin Goldmaster. Yeah, Kerwin's gonna be probably on today. I don't know when exactly. I know he got some stuff to do in the morning, and he's gonna jump in at one time. I also Max gonna show up at one point. Stefanos coming, I think tomorrow. I think today he has something with his group, but Stefanos coming tomorrow, and Max should be there today also, and probably a surprise guest today. It's not a guest because used to it, but we'll see. All right, so a session. Okay, perfect. The above trade, we answered that. All right, yes, Bo. Hey, I found you, bro. Finally, Shane. Oh, all right, thanks, man. Are you live all day? Oh no, not all day, man. I got work to do. I got a life. But yeah, I'm gonna be on probably until like around 9 o'clock Eastern, AM, not PM. Can you please look at this chart? Yes, but you don't have any links. So, because YouTube's not gonna allow you to post links. So you need to make sure when you send your chart on YouTube, you click on this camera here, and you're just gonna copy paste the part with that bar with the X to the end of this bar, right? So, and you paste that in YouTube because YouTube doesn't allow you to paste links. Guys, mute yourself, please, if you're coming on on Zoom. Thank you very much. All right, Peter. Did we look at this chart? So again, I don't know why you guys are not able to see it on Zoom, but that's weird. All right, so this coming from Peter. All right, so I guess we got the same idea here. No trade, buy aboves, sells below. Makes sense? Yes, same idea here. Same idea, my friend. Good job. Anyone on sales? Yes, I was earlier. I actually took an entry. This was my where's my? So yes, this was my entry on this candle, but stop above the 15 minutes. I think it was like somewhere around 12 pips, I think, somewhere around there. And you know, I secured, I think it was like 4-ish pips. When I saw some profit, just closed 50%. I knew it was a counter trend trade, and when it came back to my entry, I just closed full, like I think it was 1 pip profit. So I was like, nah, I didn't feel like risking much on a Monday. So I was like, meh, it is what it is. So now it's turning up my way. And that's the other thing with emotions, guys. When you see Sony trades coming back, am I jumping into the trade now? No, man. I'm just going to let it go, and I'm going to wait for my setup, you know? So it just, at this point, doesn't make sense. You know, just like wait for yourself. For me, because this was not part of my plan. So again, this comes back to, guys, you need to make sure you set up your rules, your trading plan, your playbook. You got to follow your playbook, guys. It's like Super Bowl yesterday, man. Freaking Chief didn't follow the playbook for sure, man. Something happened there. I mean, the offensive line, man, I don't know what happened with the offensive line, but man, they dropped the playbook in the toilet or something happened. Jesus, holy moly. Man, Mahomes was not able to do shit, man. Sorry, I'm getting emotional right now. So, oh well.
It's okay, Sasha.
What?
It's okay, mate.
Man. So, anyways, so this all comes back to playbooks, right? So you got to make sure you know your playbook, you know how to execute on your playbook. So, and to get a playbook, you need your journal. Your journal is your playbook. So make sure you have one. GA might close below. Oh, let's take a look. Let's take a look at GA. Yeah, I need to put my QPs on. I erased everything because I was actually recording the last video this weekend for the course, and I had to show that, so I erased everything. Finally done recording, man. Whew. It took so much longer than I expected. All right, so let's see here. Let's put this line here. Where is it? 75. And 250. There we go. Let's put this one here. All right. Let's lock those. Boom. Boom. Lock it. Hey man, can you imagine? I just figured out how to lock those things up. It's Mark the Statue showed me. I was like, yeah, man. All these days, man, I was like dragging my stuff and moving my QPs by mistake. I was like, God damn it. Finally find out how to lock it up. Oh, is that Charlene there? Oh, what's up? Why are you muted? Why can I not hear you? That's weird.
Hey, Sacha, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good. That's weird. Hold on. Let me.
Je peux pas entendre Charlene, moi non plus.
Yeah, nobody can hear Charlene. I don't know why. I don't know. Let me try to figure out here. Is it me? No, because everybody else can talk. So I guess. And I just. That is weird. No, we cannot hear you, Charlene. We want to hear you. All right, so let's take a look here. Do we have anything else coming up? Okay, we got this chart coming up now. All right, so this coming AU. Oh man, AU. All right, let's take a look. I entered when broke the support, but coming back, I saved myself, but I don't know it's retracement or coming back. Sorry, bro. I'm very new. Very new or probably very new. And this is my first chart. If I make mistake in spelling, sorry, oh no problem, man. I'm Franglish. I do spelling mistake all day, man. So that's all good. I'm not gonna laugh at you for that because I do a lot, so that's fine. I remember sending charts to Raja back then. Man, he was laughing his ass. So anyways, and yep.
J'ai envoyé un paper trade là.
Ok, je vais le regarder. Donne-moi juste un petit instant. So looking at AU here, you took your sell around here. Can we zoom this? Oh yeah, okay. So you took your sell here. You have this zone here. Okay, I just want to make sure. So yeah, so the only thing though is you forgot about this zone right here. Okay, so you got this support right here. So if you took your sell, make sure you have at least like 15, 20 pips, 25, 30 pips range. If you want to grab, all depends on how many pips you want to grab, but you got to make sure if you want to grab like 10 pips, make sure you have like at least 25, 30 pips range. It's going to be easier for you, but now it's going to be a little tight here because you forgot about this. But again, you took it from here, so I guess you're now in profit. So I will not be greedy and look at this target here. I will make sure you secure some profit around here, right? So make sure you secure some position, put your stop at break even, and you're gonna have a nice run for your runner. Wait, yes. The what? Sorry. Oh, the chart. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at it. First, let's go to Albert. Tu l'as envoyé où?
Ouais, ça, c'était sur Zoom, mais ça ne marche pas. C'est raté déjà.
Ah, ok, c'est bon.
Je pensais rentrer sous 144, 570, ouais. Pour suivre le clean candle
à gauche.
Mais ça n'a pas marché, ouais.
Ok.
Ça n'a pas marché.
Non, c'est ça. Non, j'attendrai là présentement, spécialement que cette chandelle-ci, parce que cette chandelle-ci est devenue très petite, donc faut faire très attention. So guys, if you're looking at sells right now, you gotta be careful because this candle, look at the size of this candle. It's a very, very small body candle. So that indicate what? Indicate that the move to the downside is getting weaker, right? So you're gonna be very careful about that. Charlene, is your mic working now?
Yes, it's working now. Can you guys hear me?
Charlene is on.
All right, can you guys hear me good?
Yeah, pretty good.
Awesome. Good morning, guys.
Morning.
Alright.
So I saw that you had a pretty good weekend.
Yeah, absolutely. It was very, very eventful. But I'm looking forward to getting back to trading. I haven't traded in like a week.
Oh, nice.
So Yeah, it was a very good weekend. Very good weekend.
Sweet.
Really had a good group of guys, and we learned a lot of information. So that's always good. Always a good thing.
Awesome. So what are you looking at right now? Are you looking at GA or GJ?
You know what? I've actually stopped looking at GA lately because I don't like the way the market structure has been acting lately. Too much wicking outs, too many fake out rejections, and I said that's I don't like it. It's just ugly. So
All right.
I've just been sticking to GJ, and I actually started looking at GU lately too. GU seems to move very nice in London section. I haven't traded in New York, but it moves very nice in London.
Yeah.
But GJ's baby, so we're gonna stick with GJ.
That's it. That's it. That's good.
Yeah.
So
So yeah, with GJ, that last candle is it's making me nervous. There's a lot of rejection to the left of it, so I wouldn't take sell at that location there. If you didn't take sell at that last level of support that was broken there,
yeah.
you might want to wait. I would
Yeah.
wait.
That's exactly what when I came on the chart, I came at 5. I saw that candle, that retest here. So I was like, all right, if I can get a bearish candle, I'm entering, right? So
Yeah.
I actually entered on the close of this one and secured like, I think 4 pips ish. And I was like, all right, this is not good. So I closed everything. So
So you missed it when it broke the low?
yeah, but the thing is, I actually didn't took it because lately I implemented my rules to not take impulse outside of NY open market and NYC market. So just being more strict about my impulse entry because lately I've been a lot of fake outs on impulse entry. So I was like, let's remove those losses, even if they're small, because I still manage my risk pretty good now these days, and I end up like losing like maybe like 4 pips, 5 pips, not much, but I mean if I can take those out completely. And yes, sometimes I'm gonna be missing a move like this one. I missed like the 10 pip move, but you know what? I'll get a better move. So
Exactly. Plus it's Monday.
Yeah.
Monday. You don't have to go crazy on a Monday,
yeah, there's no rush. There's no rush.
Definitely.
But G looks pretty interesting if it breaks that consolidation though. Because looking at the left, I'm like, whoo.
It looks very promising. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It really does.
Yeah.
What are you a Kansas City fan though, Sasha?
Am I what? Oh, Kansas. No, it's just like I'm not a super huge fan, football fan, but I like to watch a couple games during the year.
Okay.
And I was just like, man, Brady's just so good, and I was just like, I, I feel like somebody else needs to win, So I was like, let's go for Chief. So,
Yeah.
but yeah, I guess he's too good for the game, man. This guy is just like, wow, it's crazy.
Yeah, I don't know what happened last night. It was a very boring game, honestly.
Yeah, it was just one way.
It was just not my cup of tea, so I didn't really care who won, honestly.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, to be honest, I was not like about like rooting for any specific team, but I took a bet with my friend, just like a $10 bet, just for fun, and I took the Chief, and I guess I lost that $10, right? So that bet hit stop loss.
Yeah. Never bet against Brady.
I know. I learned.
That guy is intimidating to some people. I think it's just it may not even be that the team he's playing is good. It's just that it's just Tom Brady. So
I know, it's so good, man. I can't believe. Can he go to retirement at one point? This guy just like.
I mean, he's gonna play till he's 100.
I know, it's crazy. All right, so let's take a look here. Do we have any more? Okay, so we got a UCAD trade coming up. UCAD. Let's go here. All right, so we got UCAD here. All right, so buys above here, sells. I like the okay sales below here. Best sales below here. No trade zone. Okay. Yes, of course, if you break here, yeah, that will be much better. And I don't see the rest of the chart here on the left for your sells. But definitely, I will not sell in this zone. If you wrote okay sales here, I would definitely not sell in this zone. For me, it would be a no-go. But again, it all depends on your rules, right? But for me, there's too much noise in this section here. But here, I mean, you got some clean traffic here to the left, so that's pretty good. Yeah, so buy would work best here than selling here, and probably that you got better traffic here to the left, hopefully, and that would make sense. But this area, I will drop it, to be honest. Why? Okay. Oh man, guys, you don't want to miss Wednesday. Wednesday, I'm gonna release if I have the okay, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna release something pretty cool from Trixie, man. It's gonna be the new patch they've been working on. I've been testing it this weekend. Phew! It's pretty dope, man. This tool is just leveling up now. So, oh yeah, pretty awesome, man. Pretty awesome. Gabriel's been working hard on that, so props to him, man. He's actually the same guy who actually put on Magic Key, so he's the same guy. He's the same genius out there.
Very cool.
Yeah, and that tool is looking pretty amazing now. Yeah, I mean that's why I'm not paying the subscription now with TradingView because I'm gonna get pretty much all the tools for the same price in Trixie. So yeah, you get all the benefits almost without paying the TradingView. So that's pretty good. All right, so let's take a look at this. Oh, this chart, I can already tell it's not gonna work. Okay. Okay, got it. Can you check this out?
Sorry, Sasha, I can ask you for one.
Yeah, sure.
This is a pink line. You are drawing in the GJ.
Yeah.
A pink line. What is this?
Oh, those lines? The blue lines here?
Yes.
Okay.
No, this. Pink.
This?
Yes.
Yeah, the blue line like this and the whoops, let me grab my mouse here. Okay. The blue and oh, let me remove this here. 500. Okay, perfect. Because I need to see the price. Okay, perfect. So yeah, so those lines basically are called quarter points, QPs. Those are key level. You can call it the key level, psychological level, institutional level. They got many names, you know. But I call them QPs, quarter points. They works like 25 cents, 50 cents, 75 cents, a dollar. They are psychological levels. So when banks trade or when people trades, they'll say that okay, I'm gonna enter the trade at 144 500. They will not say I'm gonna enter at 144 527. Just like it's not. They're gonna use round number, right? So that's why you see those level most of the time will be super well respected, right? So those are just tools and hint on the market that I use. So I don't trade based on that, but I use them as a hint, right? So yeah. All right. So let's see the bullish.
I not took a trade in the GJ because I see it's in the range. Okay. I wait for the break this line here. It's in the 1 hour time frame. If you can see. Okay. I like it to break this candle here and to going down again in the point of the 144.300 here.
Yeah, that makes sense.
This is, but I like it to break this line in the 1 hour time frame.
Yep.
It's more correction.
Yeah, but for me, I'll be very careful because again, you see those movement now is fading out. So that's why for me, even if it breaks the low, I'm being very, very careful here. So we gotta keep in mind also that we are trending pretty much bullish at this point. But again, like sells can work, but you gotta be very careful because I mean, look at that body candle. Look at this one right now. It's flipping, and look at the 1 hour. Right now, 1 hour is flipping bullish. 4 hour now just like starting to retrace. So I don't know. At this point, for me, there's no sells. But yeah, I mean, if you If your plan is to break this, the only thing in trading, you gotta respect your plan. So if you take a L respecting your plan, there's no problem. Just journal it and understand why you lost it, right? So it's all part of the process. You know, it's all part of the process. You need to lose some to be able to win some. So keep that in mind, guys.
And also, there's a very strong rejection at that last support that's formed there. So if that previous high is broken, there's a good chance it's gonna go back up to retest that last resistance. That's what I'm seeing right now.
Yeah. Also, Eric, a better setup will be support created over here, then a next candle, bearish candle breaking, and then you can take the short.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. I have to wait for this. Okay, and look arrow with GBP. It's a big clean traffic in the 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame.
EJ?
Yeah.
Oh, send your chart so we're gonna be able to take a look at it.
Of course.
Yeah. All right. So Wasim, sir, Sasha, in my opinion, the price will come down in order to complete the imbalance of price action. Probably. Question to Charlene. What time session do you trade? Do you trade between London and US session?
I trade London mostly when I can, but mostly it's New York is my favorite session. London session is a little too volatile for me at times. There's a lot more volume in London than there is in New York at times. So pre-London is usually the best time to trade for me. But if not, I will stick to New York.
All right. Yes, then?
You may take a look at the charts.
Look at what? Sorry?
The charts.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, man. Forgot about you. Jesus. Man, there's too much action, man. Too much action. Where is it again? All right, let me find. Can you resend it? Because I cannot find it in the chart right now. You just sent it back? Okay, thank you, man. All right, got it now. Sorry, guys. Not used to getting that many message at the same time.
Bon matin, les garçons.
Oh, bon matin, petit garçon.
Oh, what's up, Jim?
Oh, wrong chart. Oh no, it works. All right. So Zane's chart. All right, so let's take a look at it here. This is GA. Oh, guys, mute yourself, please. Thank you very much. All right, so this is GA, right? Okay, perfect. So daily close. Sorry, I need to get closer because my eye is playing me right now. Daily close with no wick. So in the early hours of the morning of the start of the daily, it made a wick up. And now it's starting to retrace and break. It's low to carry on bearish. Okay.
We can't see it, Sasha.
Sorry?
We can't see it.
You can't see it?
No.
Huh. I don't get it.
See it, sir.
I don't.
Yeah, there's big.
That's weird.
Yeah, now we can see, sir.
What? What just happened there? Okay. Hold on. Wait a second. Let's do this. So where's my zoom bar? Zoom, where are you? There we go.
Damn, le gars, il look good à matin.
J'essaie. So share.
Your eyes are pretty.
No. Here. Okay.
Yeah, no. It's right, sir.
Can you see it now?
Yep.
All right, excellent.
Yeah, so we can see.
All right, sorry about that.
Do you want me to zoom in a bit more?
Can we what?
Do you want me to zoom in a bit more? Because
I can't. Well, that's fine. That's fine. Looking for a break and close below QP to get sales to 78,000. Yeah, definitely. Yes, I'm looking at the same thing on GA. Makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Guys, I don't know who is not muted, but please, can you please mute yourself, guys, if you're not talking? And if not, I'm gonna have to mute everyone. So, all right. So, guys, you see my chart now on Zoom? Okay, perfect. Excellent. All right, so we're back to normal. All right. All right. Please, Sasha, please check the impulse entry on UJ. All right. Let's take a look at it. Why it's not? All right. So UJ resistance form and candle break. Took buy when the high was broke. Manage risk. My question is, this setup, I have many problems for all traders. I got too much stop loss for this setup. Why? It make me angry. That's funny. Okay, so basically, I mean, if you're getting, okay, so let's answer this question by your answer. Okay, so what I mean is, you're just telling yourself you're getting too much stop loss for this setup. So why not taking this setup and put it in the toilet or in the garbage? Don't use that setup anymore. Use a setup that you'll be winning. Don't stick into a setup that you're losing. It doesn't make sense. So you gotta stick with those works. So that's why I focus mainly on 2 or 3 different setups, and that's the same one I execute on. So that's the one I've been winning on, and I dropped all the rest. So of course, someone can have a win, and me, I miss the move. Why? Because I stick with those setups. Because if you're trying to catch all moves, all setups, guess what? You're gonna be losing some. Okay, you're gonna lose more because you put yourself more at risk. So it's really important to understand. So if you're taking too many losses with that setup, stop taking it. So yeah, and yeah. And to be honest, any USD pair, it's really hard, man. It's probably any USD pair for me. I see it as super tricky, super hard to predict the move. Why? Because USD is impacted by so many countries. So anything that happened relationship wise with those countries, the fundamentals can screw up all your technical analysis. So that's why I'm staying away from USD pairs, because my setups not most of the time, but often doesn't get respected because something happened on the fundamental news, right? So yeah, so basically, and manage risk in 15 minutes and lost 50%. So that's good. That's a good news though, because you understand how to manage your risk. But now you just need to understand, like, this setup, if you're losing on, just drop it and focus on something you're winning. And again, this most of the time, not most of the time, but often, yes, you can see that, and you'll see it as a fake out, right? So you broke it, and you may be at a high right now. So now you gotta understand you need to come back down a little bit before coming back up. So that's why now you're trying to buy a high. So that's it. Boom, boom, boom. GA looking juicy today. It does. It does. It actually does. I'm not gonna lie. Oops. Not gonna lie. It's looking pretty interesting. Now it actually closed. Under, but respected that QP right here, right? So now I want to see something closing under this QP. That would be interesting. Or see, I want to see maybe this candle going bullish. Next one, the bearish closing just under it. I'll be writing the next one. So that's something I would wanted to see. That would be amazing. Yep, that would be amazing. This. Let's see here. I think all questions so far is being answered. Check GJ close below support. Yes, we just took a look at it. That's pretty good. Sareem, can you check this out? I sniped the take profit. Ooh, we got a sniper in the house. Shit, boy. Snipey, snipey. Oh, whoops. Let's go here. What? What's going on here? Oh, let's see the sniper. Why can I not zoom? Oh, here we go. Man, you guys, I don't know how you guys can do with those small candles. Am I getting old? Like, is it my eyes? Just like, price broke the structure. All right, enter on the retracement. Yeah, I don't know if I will call that sniper or cowboy. So, and especially this is US 30. I don't know. I don't know, man. I would wait for this to close bearish and enter on the next one. But entering while this one is just, I don't know, you don't have any candle printing your way. So, I don't know, man. But hey, good, man. It worked out. It worked out. You got your TP, so good job. But be very careful. When you take a trade, wait for a candle to print into your direction. No, not against you, right? So, GG Google. Okay. See here, GA short. Yes, looks like it, but not yet.
Sasha,
Yep.
I sent my chart of the Euro GBP.
Where's that? Where's that?
In the private message.
Oh, in the private message?
Or I can send again.
Oh, Eric, right?
Yes.
Here.
It's a lot of queen traffic from the last week when from the news, and for a moment they hit the breakout the area and they like it to going up.
Oh yeah, that's beautiful.
But I have to wait for the pullback to going again in the resistance. But for a moment I think to create the support and the going again up.
Yeah, I think that looks good, man. Let me just take a look here. Yeah, you got this zone here, breakout of this. This was consolidation right here. So bullish candle. I'm to wait for this candle pullback. Yeah, so if you can get that retest, I'm pretty sure on Euro GPY, you're gonna get that retest. You know, it doesn't move crazy that pair, so you should get that retest. So if you get this candle coming down bearish and next one forming bullish, man, you're gonna have a nice ride to the upside. Nice ride to the upside. Yeah, just be patient with it. That's good, man. But Eric, man, you're looking at a lot of pairs, man. You gotta be careful.
No, my focus it's more in the GJ or in the pair when have the big volumes in the London session.
Oh, okay, I see.
More gold than the GJ, sorry. And these two pairs it's a pair with a big volumes in the London session and in New York session.
I see.
The other pairs it's just to look for the creator structure.
I see.
That's what I make it and the AJ.
I joined late. Did you already talk about funding talent? No, it's not in the subject today. But if you want, you can take a look at the Forex talk over a beer. I had some special episode about funding talent you can watch. Alright, so guys, if you're on Zoom or on YouTube, can you jump on YouTube for a second and give a like to that stream? That would be very appreciated. So on YouTube, I just activated the... Is it? Did I activate it? Why it's not showing up? Hold on, wait a second. Where's that? Where's my smash button? Damn, my smash button disappeared. I don't have my smash button anymore. God damn. All right, so smash that like button. That'd be very appreciated. Thank you very much. All right. All right. So hello, and is there any book? Is there any book can help in price action and scalping? Not really. Not really. The only book I got about trading.
Your journal.
Yeah, your journal. Yeah, my journal. Yeah. But the only book I have about trading, where is it? I can find it now, but yeah, no, there's not much book about that, to be honest. Hey Sasha, what do you think is realistic and possible? 30, 40, 50% gain per month. Man, you're asking yourself a lot. Man.
30% per month.
Charlene, what do you think? That's a lot of pressure right there.
That's wishful thinking right there.
Yeah. I mean, what about starting with like 2%?
I think 5% is reasonable.
Yes.
That's
Let's
doable.
let's start with 5. Aim 1% per week. Just aim for that, because most of traders actually never gonna be in profit. So what about like just aiming for a small percentage first, and after that, work on your craft and get a better percentage, right? So I mean, you gotta take some baby steps. The problem with trading is people look at this and they think it's super easy, and let me tell you, man, it is not.
Je pense que c'est dû au fait d'avoir de petits accounts, ouais.
Oui, exactement.
Oui, c'est ça qui
Yeah.
à prendre le risque. J'ai fait l'expérience. Puis j'ai remarqué que depuis que je viens de commencer le fonds du talent avec plus de montant, je gère mieux le capital.
Exact.
Ouais.
Albert,
Si tu as quelque chose de, je sais pas, $500, et $1000, $2000, c'est pas trop ça, ouais.
exact. So Albert actually touched on a point here that makes totally sense. Says that most of the time people will actually fail because they're trading small account, and which is true, because when you trade small account, you see your trade going in profit, and you're like, what, $5 in profit, maybe $50 in profit, maybe 100, but it's still those small amounts. So you look at your chart and be like, oh, I'm gonna let it go a little bit more. Let's see how far I can go because I want to grab more money, right? But don't look at this. Look at a pip gain. Don't look at the numbers because it's gonna screw you up. And yes, when you start to be constant for a while, let's say 3 months being constant, maybe you can take a look at funded company and maybe have a ride with them and trade bigger account. So that's something you can maybe try, but it should help you. And Albert says that it actually helped him manage his account better now, because when he sees his trade going in profit for, I don't know, $1,000, it's easier to close, right, than $10. So yeah, that's a huge difference.
Yeah, if you trade with 100,000, if you just make 2%, that's 2,000.
Exactly.
So that's just 2%.
Yeah.
You make 5%, 5,000. Imagine making 30%, 30,000. That's
Yeah,
practically impossible.
it's what people need to understand is it's the exact same trade. It's the exact same trade, the exact same work. It's just a different on account balance. That's it, and that will happen, but it's just gonna take you time, and you gotta understand. Don't rush the process. Don't rush the goddamn process. The process is fun. Andrew says. Andrew says hi, Charlene. What?
You gotta enjoy the process.
Oh yeah. It's
I'm saying.
yeah.
Need to fall in love with charts.
Okay, let me take a look at this chart here. Okay, so looking at this chart, I can say shit. I mean, All right, that's pretty awesome. There's a red rectangle and a green rectangle. That's pretty cool. All right, thanks for this chart. Thanks for this chart. That helped a lot of people. All right, so come on, guys. If you send a chart, make sure you label it. Make sure we can understand what you're doing. Just like this doesn't help anyone. Name of your YouTube stream. Thanks. Oh, it's trade with the pack. So trade with the pack. This is the YouTube stream. Andrew. YouTube trade. Oh, thank you. Oh, Charlene answered that. Thank you, Charlene. Alright, so I was late in the comment here. Jesus, there's many comments. Sasha, can you... Sorry, guys, if I missed your chart. Sasha, can you tell me what could I have done to prevent this? Okay, so that's going to be interesting. That's going to be interesting. Again, I mean, guys, if you send something, I mean, just like, again, this is like a red... Oh, when... What? What? I can... Wait a second. I'm getting excited here. How is that possible? You send me a chart, I can move into it?
Yeah, but they have to enable it from the guy that sent you the chart.
Shit. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that.
Very cool.
Did you know that, Charlene?
I did not know that.
I did not know that either. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's take a look here. So... No trade zone, and man, little suggestion here, put your writing in black, because I mean, it's really hard to read right now. What did I do wrong? Okay, so basically you enter, okay, so what you did wrong is pretty simple here. I mean, you entered when the candle was not even closed under, you didn't wait for that break and retest. So that's first mistake in my eyes, right? But after that, I mean, if you waited for this resistance to be formed, and you took your entry over here, you would have been stopped also. So it doesn't matter, and this is just a fake out, and this is gonna happen on the market, but we cannot prevent it, you know, so it just happens sometimes. In my eyes, I don't see much more than that. Do you see something else, Charlene, on your eyes?
No, he did wait for the retest, and the candle bodies are very small.
Yeah, well, exactly, yeah. So
There's no volume.
yeah, exactly. And EU, again, EU is, man, for me, this is the worst pair ever. You know, just like this is the most manipulated pair ever. Just like, I will not touch that. It's just like,
And if I could add, after this bar, he should be a break even, in my opinion.
after which bar? Oh, this one. Yes, yes. Well, I didn't measure that
Yeah,
though.
for sure.
Yeah, I didn't measure it.
He's trying to target like 17 pips on EU, and it's like 30 to 40 pips on GJ, GU.
Oh, I see. Yeah. So
Il avait
So-
probablement eu son take profit en ce moment s'il faisait du 1.5 pour 1.
yeah, maybe you were a little too greedy on there. So make sure you put your stop at break even when you're like, I don't know, 10, 12, 11 pips profit, and yeah.
And after a bullish candle like this, just go to break even.
Yeah, that's it. Here, I haven't done better than 35% in a month. A realistic amount, I will say, is 5-10%. Yeah, okay. Sasha, can you tell me how this went wrong? Did we just enter that? Let's see. Oh, same idea. Okay. Sasha, what do you think is a good lot? Sasha, what do you think is a good lot for $850 account if one trade a day is the plan? Okay, so I don't want to be rude, but if you're doesn't know how to calculate your lot size, you shouldn't be trading at this point. This is really important. Okay, so this is number one. This is come from the basics. So I don't know what course you actually bought, but that should be the first thing they actually show you. You know, one of the first thing. You know, so there's a couple of things you can do. You can use either Magic Key. You can use Tinu app. But yes, or you can go on babypips.com. The first chapter will actually show you how to calculate your lot size. Okay, I'm not gonna tell the answer here because I want people to search for answer. And when you search for answer, that's the best way for learning. So if you go on babypips.com, it'll show you exactly how to calculate your lot size. But it doesn't matter. Even if you have like $100,000 account or $1,000 account, you should never risk really more than between 1 to 3% on your trading. If you have a lot of experience, yes, maybe you can risk a little bit more, but I would stick between 1 to 3%, to be honest.
Hey, Tyler. Quick question.
Sure.
So on GJ, I see that it created support. And I was gonna wait for the 30-minute candle to close below that support at 144.615. But I thought it was kind of tricky because on the 1 hour there's some clean range, at least somewhat to 144.406. But on the 30-minute, there's like a mini support at you have it drawn on your chart 144.494. So would it not be the smartest sell to wait for that candle to close below 144.615 and then wait for the next candle to break it, and then maybe when it reaches 490 put stops at break even?
Yes, but the thing is, you see those rejection right here, rejection. Like you said, you want to make sure. I mean, for any sells, you want to make sure you go under this, break and close under this, and yeah, that's would be the plan here for concentration for sells. But I don't know, because looking at the daily, we came back down, and now we went up first, and now we were chasing down. So I don't know. It's kind of tricky. We broke previous high, so technically we should continue this day on the bullish side, right? So that's why I'm not super tempted into sells right now, because I still think that at one point we're gonna start pushing back up. But yeah, let's see what happens. If we break and close under here, it can be interesting, yes, because we got some clean traffic after that until like 3:20, 3:30, right? So that would make sense. But I want to see a close under this.
Yeah, got you. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mate, GJ idea. Okay, let's take a look. Man, I'm overwhelmed, man. I got a lot of chart. All right, so here, GJ idea. All right, buy if candle close above, sell below 144.6. Yeah, exactly same idea we just talked about. So yeah, pretty good. Thank you, merci. All right, Marco. Oh, is it the same? No. Copy. All right, so Marco here. This is GJ 30 minutes. Buy above 900. If we broke this low, an impulsive entry can be valid. Yes, it can. So I guess we all have the same idea here. So that's good. All on the same page. So that's good. That is because please, how to inhibit trade idea. Man, I'm trying to ooh, this is some cute colors. I like those. Buys I like purple woman send out those. Purple what's her name? Purple FX, purple woman,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Man, I just wish I can understand what she's saying.
Me too.
I just wish. I wish. I'm listening to her. I'm like, that looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. That looks pretty good.
I'm the same way. I'll just listen. Like I'll try to pick out certain words. Like, okay, that's what she's talking about.
I don't know why she never came on as a guest. I guess the boys actually invited her a couple of times and actually I guess she declined. I don't know.
I'm not sure. Maybe the language barrier. Maybe.
Oh, maybe. Oh, she doesn't. Because I saw her with Daniel one time and she was speaking a little bit of English, but maybe.
Yeah, she speaks a little bit, but she's not that fluent in it that well. So I think that may be.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Buys over if candle close above. Yeah, I guess we get. Oh, this is 15 minute. Waiting for 15 minutes to 30 minutes to close below for sales. Yeah, I will wait for 30 minute. Yeah, since couple months now, I did a challenge with some people in our group, and we said, all right, we're not going to be taking any more 15-minute entries for it was 10 days or 15 days. I can't remember how many days. But after that, we watched our win ratio, and our win ratio was so much higher. So I personally decided to stop taking 15-minute entries. The only way I'm going to take a 15-minute entry is, let's say GJ is trending super, super hard and not giving me the retracement on the 30-minute. But to be honest, I don't even remember when was the last time that happened. So right now, GJ look like is breaking down this zone, this minor zone here. So looking at YouTube, okay, so YouTube here. So we look at that, drop a, oh, Shane Kicks, drop a like. Yeah, thank you, Sasha. Sasha holding it down. Oh, no, I closed that trade a long time ago. Just secured 30 pips profit on EA. Oh, good job, man. Done for the day. Awesome. Thanks for your knowledge. You're welcome. GJ dropping. Oh, yes. It is dropping a little bit. I have a look, sir. Currently, I'm in a trade. Have a look, sir. Oh, that's a lot of sir. All right, let's take a look then. What do you think, Sharon? Should we take a look?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. Let's do it. Oh, sorry. My bad. All right. US 30. Okay, take a look at this, Charlene. I need to do something for the kid right now.
All right.
Can you zoom in? Okay, hold on. Let me try to zoom in. There we go.
So I would say that, yeah, I would wait till they open. And I wouldn't look at it on a 1 minute either.
Especially when NYSE opens, then it moves.
Yeah. For sure. So that was a risky trade. That was a very risky entry there.
All right, so now looking at GJ. Thank you, Charlene. Looking at GJ now, 30 minutes and 1 hour is about to close. And it looks like it's going to be closing under this binary support. And it does actually look good.
Yeah, the same thing is happening to GA. It made its up and it's starting to break its lows.
How big of a stop here? Let's see. So we got 5 seconds left. Oh, is that gonna close with no wick at the bottom?
Yeah, no.
God damn it. I was actually ready to press that button.
Yeah. I was hoping for it to open, go up to 57, 58, and then come down, but...
Oh, man.
And also the 500 level, a bit just below. Wow.
Yeah, no.
Risky as hell.
Yep. So, I guess... Right on the QP, yeah. Yeah, those, man, I'm telling you, those levels are so well respected.
What about GA? GA looks much better.
Oh, yeah.
Would you say that's minor support level?
Hold on, wait a second, because there's someone with a lot of background noise here. Guys, mute yourself.
Probably me, sorry.
Thank you. Okay. Oops. Okay, perfect. Sorry, guys. All right, so you were talking about GA. Yes, GA looks much better right now. What time is it now? It's 7 o'clock. So yeah. So hopefully we can get this candle to go bullish, retest that. Next one close bearish, and we can ride the next one. So that will be perfect. But there's some people who's gonna take this impulse after this wick retest. There's some people who's gonna take the impulse entry when the break of the low, and that's okay too. For me, it's against my personal rules, so I'm not gonna take it. But yeah, it looks pretty good on GA.
Hey Sasha.
Yep.
Would you say that because the hour closed kind of hard past that wick, that we most likely are going to need to push back up to that zone and honestly just see if that retest to re-enter maybe and then continue down? But
yes.
Also we got this huge wick in the middle of this range, and it is a small range anyway.
Yes, no, definitely. And don't forget, we're still, yes, this now open as a bearish inter-session trend, but the main trend is bullish, right? So we gotta be careful on that. So if you're one of those that use those magic trend lines, I mean, you can, put like kind of like, I don't know, this. I don't know how you guys do it, but you need to understand, like, we still are trending, bullish at this point, right? So
yeah, makes sense. All right, thank you.
You're welcome. So yes, it will make sense for price to push up actually, but of course if we start to break this zone here, for me now it's going to be a change of direction. It's going to be a change of trend officially, because this is right now just inter-session, going bearish. But look, I mean, yeah, but since if the 1 hour is the 1 hour, yeah, 1 hour close under those low, yeah, it can be a start of a bearish trend now, because you see we broke the low here on the left, so now it's changing from the bearish side, but still. Oh, Raja.
Yeah, so just I'm gonna ask you about.
Hey, I'll give you a hint. I'll give you a hint here. Sorry, Raja. I had to do it, bro.
Might end up needing you don't know.
I love you, bro. If you're watching from somewhere, I don't know. All right, so sorry again. So you can go. You can go. Sorry.
So I was saying, don't you think that your zone should be higher? Because if you look on the 1 hour, the zone should be at 144, 110. Because that's where the support will switch it to resistance, and that's where probably the best sells would be.
Oh, this one here? You mean? Oops,
The
sorry.
blue line.
This one here.
No, the one at the bottom.
This one?
No, the other one. If you go below. No, the big blue zone.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, sells.
goes up.
You mean sell under that?
Yes. If you push it up high, if you look on the 1 hour.
I'm on a 1 hour right now.
Yes, exactly. So if you put it high above the previous, like where it becomes support. So if you push it just higher over here.
This one?
Until 144, 413.
144, 415.
Yeah.
144, 415.
Yeah, just
Kind of right here.
Yes.
But why you would have put it here?
Because that's where it. So basically.
This one?
Support
This minor one?
No, because I'm looking at the 1 hour, so it's resistance on the left, and then it becomes support where the candle.
Oh yeah, I understand what you mean. Yeah. Yeah, but this is the most recent traffic here, you know?
Yeah.
This one is the most recent and this one is the most recent. So I keep that in mind, but I don't mark those because those are the most recent traffic for me. So because sometimes when you start to look too much to the left, you get confused, you know? You're gonna start hesitating on taking trades because you see some stuff. But so that's why for me, this is the most recent traffic. So my next support is right here, right? I keep in mind and I know in my head that I got this zone. So, and don't forget, this zone also actually, wait a second, is the same idea of this wick field, right? So I know for a fact that if I take a sell and I'm coming down here, I know there's reaction here, right? So I know I'm going to securing my profit here or making sure I do something, either put stop at break even or secure some profit because I know it can be tricky here. And this actually matched this, right? So that's why I don't need a zone here for myself. But it makes sense what you're saying. It makes sense.
Okay, makes sense. Thanks.
You're welcome. Man, I'm probably so late in the message, guys, and I am sorry. I do apologize. There's way too many messages coming on.
I don't know how Raja does it.
To be honest, man, Friday I was like, shit. Man, props, cause well, I guess you gotta be used to it and understand that you cannot answer every message. I think that was my thing. Friday I was trying to answer every message, you know, it's just like, and I was freaking out. And now it's just like, man, sorry guys, it's just I can't do it. It's just like I'm trying to do the most possible, right? So so guys, if I didn't take a look at your chart, maybe resend it, and if you're lucky, I'm gonna grab it. Only have a good chance to. Okay, perfect. So man, my message thing on Zoom is at like 6:42. 6 p.m. 6 a.m. 42, so I need to go way down. I missed a lot of message. Sorry guys. Hey Sasha, quick question about the news regarding the trade. I have always seen that the details says good for currency. How do we know that something is bad for currency? Oh, you talk about fundamental news. You got to get used to that, and you got to understand how news is going to impact the market. And to be able to do that, you need to read a lot and understand what impact which pair, you know. So it takes a lot of time, to be honest. That's why I don't trade fundamentals, because I tried that, but I really sucked at it. So I kind of stopped. So Sasha, check this chart out. All right, let's take a look at it.
Hey Sasha.
Yep.
No pressure, but just below and other people are watching you.
Oh, thanks for reminding me. I hate you, man. Yeah, thanks for, yeah. How many people we got on the, oh, okay, perfect. So we got 270. So I guess that upgrade was perfect, 500 for Zoom.
Yeah. Give a like on the stream, guys. Come on.
Thanks, bro. All right, so let's see here. I entered when this 15-minute candle broke below, and this is GJ 15 minutes. Okay. I realized it broke the low in the very first minute, which according the experience is not good. So I closed full position and price went up to create the top wick again. Oh yes, I had this trade. Oh no, I entered after me. Create the top wick again, entered again as price broke its own low and closed when 30 minutes left no wick. Oh, that's good, man. You see, so that's pretty good. Close full in 5 pips. Yeah, you know, at this point it was a counter trend, so you grab your 5 pips and you ran away. So it's good, man. Nothing wrong with grabbing 5 pips. You know, 5 pips is 5 pips, man. It's better than nothing. So when you get used to that, man, you will find yourself grabbing more profits and more profits there and there. Because back then, to be honest, I was shy. I was shy for about closing 5 pips. I was like, man, I'm not a real trader. I'm only closing 5 pips. What's up with that? You know? Well, let me tell you, 5 pips is a lot more than like probably 80% of the traders. So you got to be okay with that.
I was thinking to come back and just take let's say 7 pip or something like that. Yeah, it's more. I think that is more secure.
Yeah, at this point you gotta wait.
Yeah.
All right, Sasha, will you say that the structure has now flipped on the 30-minute time frame on GJ, and that now we could wait for resistance to form for possible sells, or you mean possible buy, I guess, or if it closed back in a range, it hasn't. Yeah, right now, I mean, looking at this 30-minute, if it closed bullish, of course there's no more sell at this point, you know. Sell is going to be invalid, and now we're going to be able to look at buys, which is the bias, the long-term bias. I mean the higher time frame bias. Jeez, the Franglish trying to talk this morning. All right. Why not just red and green with black background? Because I don't know. Because I like blue and white, you know? Because blue helped me calming down. Red is very violent, right? So, no, I like that setup. So, personal. Hey, Charlene, checked out your channel. Love it. Keep it up, girl. That's a message from Lauren. Here we go.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, Charlene has some really good content. I can't wait to start to do some content also. Just like I've been so busy lately. But yeah, I'm looking at your videos sometimes. Man, she's good.
Nice. Hey, when does your course launch? Do you have a date yet?
Probably. I'm hoping Friday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm hoping Friday. Probably gonna launch it for a Forex Talk Over Beer. And hey, we got our thing next week, right?
Is it next week or this week?
Oh, is it this week?
Next Friday.
Maybe it's this week. I need to check at my thing. Okay, so we're probably gonna do a hookah night, me and Charlene together. So it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna talk about some Forex drama. We're gonna answer some questions, you know. So we're just gonna chill. It's gonna be fun. So yeah. So hopefully Friday launch. Recording takes a lot of time. I didn't expect that, to be honest. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna record that in a weekend. It's gonna be done, you know. Just like, phew. It took me much more than that. Especially that I have to record. Like, let's say I do a video on, let's say, I don't know, price action. Let's say I need to do it in French, and after that I record in English, right? So, because I have 2 sections on the course, I have the French section, the English section. so it's twice the amount of work. So yeah, so now I'm editing mode right now. All right, so let's see here. Why is everyone trying to sell course? Are they not making profit and gain, or what? The reason why it's really simple. It's because there's not enough, not good course, but real mentorship program out there. So that's the problem, and that's the reason why I actually did it on my side. The reason why it's to help more traders, especially in French. We don't have a lot of stuff. So for me, it was a big push to do it, because in French, I've looked around and there's not much at all. So that's the thing, and most of the people only sells course, and that's the problem. I think what the gang is doing right now is trying to level up this industry by not selling a course, but actually offering a mentorship program, which is much, much, much different. Because it's like trying to learn how to ski on YouTube. If you try to learn to ski on YouTube, let me tell you, you're gonna hurt yourself. Okay, but if you go try to learn ski with a coach, you got more chance to have success, right? So this is just my thinking.
And such, since you do that, you level up so fast.
Oh, thanks, man. It's just like, and also for me, I don't know what is it with me and maybe other person also, but me when I explain something or I try to make understand something to someone, for me just I understand even more. Just I don't know how to explain that. I don't know if it makes sense what I say, Charlene, but
D'accord avec ça, man. Tellement d'accord avec ça.
yeah. And I know Mark does the same thing with with another French group also. And I know for him it's the same thing. When he explains something, it's just like he's getting better at it. I don't know, just like so.
J'ai un boy que en fait j'invite dans un Zoom à chaque dimanche, puis je fais mon journal, tu sais, je fais mon review de la semaine avec, parce que si je suis tout seul, les idées sont trop éparpillées dans ma tête.
Mm-hmm.
Donc là, quand je le dis à voix haute, on dirait que tout fait plus de sens.
Yeah, true. That's another good point that Jim talked about. It's like when you talk about something, when you're just yourself, it can make sense. But when you're trying to explain someone, suddenly it just make more sense. It's just like I don't know how to explain that, but yeah. Anyways, that's a side subject.
Not only that, but sometimes you learn differently from somebody else. Sometimes somebody can explain something to you,
True.
but you won't really understand it. But somebody else can explain it to you in a different way, and you'll understand it better. So with the gang, it's mostly we're trying to provide people with more than just a course. Because when I was learning how to trade, I bought several courses, and a lot of the courses that I bought, the mentors that sold them, they didn't offer any type of support, any type of real assistance with understanding what you were learning in the course. But with market fluidity, Raja is very like hands-on with his students. He talks to them, he messages them back, he helps them, he gives us market analysis every day, he does the live streams every day. So you have a lot of added help with that.
Yeah.
And he helps people one-on-one, you know. So with my course, I offer one-on-ones. A lot of people don't do that. So with what we're trying to do is offer just more than just a course.
No, exactly.
We want to provide real help, real support.
And I think the cool thing also, and I think you touch a good point, is most of the time you can understand something with someone, but when the other person explains something, you just don't get it. You know, I'm gonna give you a perfect example. Back then, when I was younger at school, I think it was like grade. I don't know how you call that in English, but anyways, whatever. I was like probably like around like 14, around there. I had a math teacher, right? And I was just about to fail that course, because I didn't get anything. I was so overwhelming. I didn't understand how she was explaining stuff, and suddenly she had to go in pregnancy. Pregnancy. How do you call that? Pregnancy holiday, kind of. Yeah, exactly. Thank you. So she had to move away, and we had a replacement teacher, right? And with that replacement teacher, my grade went from like 40% to like 72%. So, and the reason why is just like I understood more how he was explaining it than she was. So for me, it just made more sense. So I think Forex the same thing. You just need to find someone that you're gonna click with, and it's gonna work out. I paid some courses that it didn't click for me at all. You know, just like I was like, oh man, so I had to move into something else. So it is what it is. Anyways, enough talking about that. All right, so let's get back to GJ here. Okay, what's going on? All right, so GJ is still doing nothing right now. We need to wait for support to be formed to look for buys, or yeah, at this point, personally, I'm gonna look for buys. Hey, what's up, everyone? Yeah, okay, you are hardworking, Sasha. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Fix it's good to have two more ones. Oh yes. Kind of hard to hear. Oh, someone that says Charlene is my mentor. This is love 822.
Awesome.
Just thought I will let you guys know she is killing it. Oh, she is. There are more mentors than. Oh yeah. Is it on mute? Can't hear anything. Oh, I guess you are on mute. Sasha, is this a liquidity grab to the downside before continuing up? Let's take a look at a high time frame. So yeah, so looking at a 4 hour, it just makes sense for the price to come down before pushing back up, right? Oops, sorry.
It made a new low, so it makes sense to continue pushing up now.
Yeah. So this wick creating the bottom wick, and now we should start to push. This is the 5 a.m. 4 candle, so this one's gonna close at 9, right? So yeah, makes sense. The first 2 hours goes down, and after that we might push back up, right? So this is how candle prints. Let's see here. Asking for GJ. Oh. Hey Sasha, what do you think of this new GJ analysis? Could I get buys earlier? Let's take a look. Man, I completely forgot to. Nobody sent a chart on gold yet? That's weird. It's because Kerwin's not there yet. That's why. Or Kerwin is here, but he doesn't talk yet. And he always does that. Kerwin is sneak peek. He's just like, he's there, but he doesn't talk, you know? So maybe he's watching us right now.
He kind of lingers in the background until he sees something.
Yeah, he's a Russian spy, man. Alright, so let's take a look at this. This is GJ. Oh, that's a lot of writing here. That's good. Trend bias rejected. 4 hours still bullish trend, but 4 hour candles are heading bearish strongly. 1 hour strong bearish momentum. Okay, perfect. Wow, it's a pretty good chart, man. Rejection zone. Man, I like the green and the gray. I think I'm gonna change my chart.
His entry might be a little risky though. I would enter at the break of all the lows to have a higher probability. See where
here?
his at?
Oh, my mouse is not there. I'm sorry. Like kind of here?
Yeah, I think I would wait till it broke those lows because.
Yeah.
And then the range looks a little small even on the 30-minute.
True.
What's that range? Oh, it says 10 pips. Okay, it says CP 10 pips. Okay.
Yeah, it's yeah. Personally, I don't like it. You know, it's just like I will not grab that sell. And we discussed that. You know.
Yeah.
Take a sell to break up the low. Yeah, at this point, man, I will not be looking at sells.
He's anticipating that price is gonna reject that resistance.
Yeah. And I don't know. It might be flipping right now, you know. This is the 30-minute, right?
It's the daily candle that threw me off. That was a huge rejection.
I know. This is just like crazy.
Man,
that's why I'm.
Rejection.
Yeah, I'm kind of confused, you know. Not confused, but it's just like I don't trust it. It's just like.
Yeah. Same.
And broke previous high, and now melting. It's just like what's up with that? You
So
know.
could we be starting the descent? I don't know.
Oh, maybe. Can we correct that move up we had?
Yeah, might be.
That would be amazing though, because there's a lot of clean traffic here. So
Last week was totally bullish, completely bullish last week.
yeah, totally. So yeah.
Yep. I think today might be a no trade day for me.
Yeah, that's why I'm being super careful. Just like
Yeah.
this is good. You know, if we reject this and now we form bearish after that, that's gonna be interesting. But GJ, I don't know. GJ is tricky right now.
Yeah.
I don't like it. Now these days I'm focusing on less quantity, better quality. So and I think that made a huge difference. Huge difference. Yeah, I think that's why a lot of people are struggling to be profitable. Just like they taking too much trades, you know?
Yeah, they think that like because you're on the charts that you have to take a trade that day.
Yeah.
And sometimes you don't. If you don't see it, don't force it.
Yeah. That's why if you put in your rules that you focus, let's say, on 2 or 3 setups, and if you don't have those setups, just don't take the entry, you know? Even if you see that, yeah, I can see it going that way, don't take it. It's not your setup, you know?
Yeah.
So.
And that takes discipline. And that's why a lot of traders struggle. That's just discipline to not. You feel like you're watching the chart, you're tired of waiting, you want to be in the trade, in a move.
Yeah, it was hard for me at first. Phew.
Yeah. Quality. And it's Monday. We got 4 more trading days.
Yes, no rush. Sasha, can you say it's a very delicate situation? People like when Raja says that. We are in a very delicate situation. Alright, let's take a look here. Got this chart here. Alright, man. Let's take a look at this. This is AU. Waiting for price to close below this support to enter. Boom, look at this. Wow, that's a nice wave. Okay, let's take a look here. Alright, so boom, boom. Yeah, that would make sense, but don't forget, you got this support right here. Right here, so I think you're missing something here. Let me grab this pen here. And here we go. So, oh, here goes the wheelchair.
What is that?
Oh no, this is not the wheelchair, this is the rocket? Oh no, that's a wheelchair.
It's enough.
Yeah, we got a little inside joke here. Okay, so basically you're missing this support here. So you gotta be very careful and measure like how big is that, but I think that's pretty small, right? So, but I think better entry can be under this support because now if you look here, you got some clean traffic to here. So I think that would be a better option for you. What do you think, Charlene? Makes sense?
And the stop loss is too big, too.
Yeah.
That's a big stop loss from where it's at. You need to wait for a clean break above that exactly what you said, Sasha, perfectly. DJ has no volume today.
I know, it's not moving. It's just like, it's weird. Oh, here's a gold chart. Man, first gold chart of the day, which is surprising.
Yeah, Sasha, can I just say something about GJ a little bit?
About EJ or GJ?
GJ.
GJ, yeah, sure, go ahead.
The whole low volume thing is we had a little bit of snow over the weekend. And whenever it snows a little bit in the UK, things just slow down. So
Really?
Trust me.
Yeah, in London right now it's slow.
What?
The weather affects the market.
Hey guys, look at this. Look at this. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but you guys probably freak out if you were here. Just like, that's a lot of snow, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
What? That is so funny. I didn't know that. Did you know that, Charlene?
I did not know that.
That is weird. That is funky. Okay, so let's take a look at. Okay, so now we're gonna watch out for weather analysis for London.
I would have checked the weather before.
Yeah, it's gonna be a special indication. Okay, so this is a chart for gold, but yeah, not much information here. But looking for that magic signal. I don't know how magic is gonna be. Um, but yeah, okay. So let's. I guess let's go take a look at gold for a second. We have time, right? We have time. Oh, previous zone here. Let's delete that. Okay. So what's going on gold? All right. So let's see what we got. What do we have here? What do we have here?
So I just try to keep my charts really clean.
Yeah, that's
I know what's going on.
yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm just trying to see here. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right, this next zone, perfect. Now let's go to 15. So gold, I look at 15 and 5 minute because just gold is crazy, right? So I forgot I can scroll down. Sharon, do you have a Mac?
I'm on a Mac right now because I'm not home. I'm using my laptop that I have on the go. But at home, I use a PC.
Oh, because this mouse is amazing with Mac. Look at this. This is the magic mouse, from Apple. I can just swipe left or swipe right and look at my chart.
Oh, right on it. Oh, that's pretty cool.
Just for trading view, this is worth it. It's just like it's amazing. It's amazing. So you don't have to click and drag, and you can just like.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah. All right. So looking at gold right now, yeah, man. Whoo, this thing. You got some clean ass traffic on the 5 minutes.
Look at that retracement.
Wow.
Jesus, that's monstrous.
Man, gold is a wild horse, man.
And gold that's a different beast right there.
We need Ted for that.
Yeah. Ted or Kerwin.
Yeah. But yeah, to be honest, like just based on price action here, I mean, it looks like now we're gonna continue down, and we got this minor support here on 5 minutes. No, was it on 5 minutes or 30 minutes? Oh, right here. But this recent most. Hold on, wait a second. Where did that zone come from? Oh, from here. Yeah. Okay. So this is the most recent traffic. So let's delete that. Next zone's gonna be right here. Oh, and it just shoot down. Jeez. Yeah, so that would totally make sense here. We got some clean ass traffic here, and we got this minor support right here. So I guess that can be a first target here on gold. But if not, man, we got a lot of space for price to melt.
Yeah. Hey Sasha, do you trade supply and demand at all?
No.
Okay.
You?
I'm thinking about implementing that. I don't know. I'm finding a little bit of like validity to it, honestly, since I've been back testing it. Seems like an interesting concept, actually.
I can talk about it. Yeah, maybe it's something we can talk about Friday.
Yeah. Because I've been back testing it, and it seems to be pretty valid in a lot of situations, especially with GJ, volatile pairs.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Man, what's up with that, YouTube? 238 likes. Last time we had at this time, I think I already danced at that time last week. Last week I said, all right, so if we get 500 likes, I'm sorry to dance. But if we get 500 likes today, I'm going to get Kerwin to dance when he comes on.
I want to see that.
He doesn't know yet, but he's going to find out soon. I was like, all right, you want to show up late? You got to dance, bro. I love Kerwin. Alright, I used to struggle with over trading now. I try to focus on 2 trades per day. Lauren. Yeah, that's good. It's way better to focus on 1 to 2 pairs and that's it. You know, to be honest, I highly recommend to focus on one pair for at least a year before implementing a second pair to your trading. But yeah, 1 or 2 pairs is good enough. And 2 trade a day, that's perfect. Go build a snowman after the stream. Oh, I will. We actually did one. Sasha, is that France or Canada? That is Canada. Montreal. Quebec. That's true. The snow is an indicator in London session. That's crazy, man. Never realized that. Apple trackpad is where it's at. Oh yeah, so I guess you got the same thing on your trackpad, Charlene.
Yeah, that's what I heard. I was actually looking it up just now.
So, but you need to open it in Safari because when I open it in Chrome, Google Chrome, it doesn't work.
Yeah. Because Safari is a Mac platform, so probably that's why it works there.
Yeah. Is a trade open right now? No. I had a short earlier, but closed it pretty early. All right. Did you get any trade? No, I just answered that. Why does a support exist? Because it's an area where there's a lot of pending orders or buying interest from institution. Kind of sound like a demand zone to me. Yeah, we can debate on that, but yes. Did you get any trade? Oh, we answered that. Zane looks like he's waiting for a photo shoot after NY session. Man, Zane, why is always people picking on you, Zane?
I know. Because last time I said, oh, I'll sleep, so I tried to dress up a bit smarter.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about that.
People always pick on Zane. All right. So let's see here. Germany Chancellor. Okay. Maybe. Okay. If you follow the rules, you. Okay. Blah 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 blah. Okay. You guys talking to each other. That's good. Okay, long. I think it still has 30 minutes. Okay. Yeah, because right now we're gonna get the in 30 minutes. Volume technically should start to come in with the NY open session. Can you take a look at this chart? All right, let's take a look. Man, we took a look at a lot of chart today. All right, so here is, what is it? GJ? Is that GJ? Yeah, GJ 30 minutes. Sorry. All right, so sell when previous 30-minute low will break. I don't know. Really risky here. Really risky.
A lot of people are looking at that, but if there was volume in the market, that would be perfect.
Yeah, like if it was NY open, yeah, it would make sense.
Yeah.
But right now, there's two things. This minor support, but I got this QP right here. For me, this is very to be breaking, you need volume, right? So I need to wait for 8:30, ish. Yeah. I don't know. We'll see how volume goes. But right now, just like this, I will not take an impulse entry. Like impulse, you guys, you gotta understand, impulse entry works best when there's volume in the market. When price is moving like this, it's not the time to take an impulse entry. For me, anyways, this is my thinking.
Hey Sasha.
Yes.
Just want to ask you like a quick question. So when you're recording your course, is it like a PowerPoint and then you have voiceover on it?
Is that what? Sorry.
When you're recording your course, right?
Mm-hmm.
So is it a PowerPoint and then you have a voiceover on it, or is it something different?
Oh no, it's totally different.
Okay.
Yeah, totally different. I actually recorded like every single video. I didn't do a voiceover. I actually did PowerPoints. Uh, yeah, so basically I'm explaining through PowerPoints and I go to chart and show example.
Okay, because I'm thinking about the same, but I'm thinking about for the Arabic speakers.
Yep.
And I'm in the process of working on it, but I just wanted to know, like, what did you do? Because I know Roger is using PowerPoint.
Yep.
And that's what I'm doing because I find it easier, but I just wanted to have other opinions to see what else I can do, you know?
Yeah, and I recorded with OBS.
Okay, yeah, definitely. It's OBS, yeah.
Yeah, so.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome. Hey, Zane, again, someone's picking on you. He says, Zane, go on Instagram and look Sleepy Hollow, the rapper. Okay, you know what? We're going to take a look at that. Because this is going to be funny, I think. Instagram. Oh, goddamn. Can I log on with my Facebook?
Sleepy Hollow.
Alright, let's...
Yeah, the Joe rapper. These guys are taking the bait.
Oh, I think it was right there.
Oh. Yeah, you missed it right there, yeah.
Oh, look at this guy. That's Zane. Shit. Oh, shit.
Go down. There's a better picture. Go down. Right there. Right there.
Oh, look at this guy. This is Zane right there.
I was like, yo, I know I seen him somewhere. I was like, yo, Sleepy Hollow trades?
Oh, that's fucking amazing. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that's funny, man. That is funny. Wow. Alright, that was a good laugh. That was a good call, Antony. I like Sleepy Hollow. Oh, there's some fans here. Alright.
Who's that guy?
Who's that? We don't know. It's a rapper.
Oh, a rapper trader or?
We don't know. But Zane is. We don't know, but Second Life of Zane is he's a rapper.
Yeah, we got to leverage in the buck, man. Damn.
Alright, so let's take a look at this trade here. Alright, so this is GJ. 30 minutes. Possible break of the low trade. Oh yeah, everyone's looking at this right now. Everyone's looking at this.
No one cares about that rejection all to the left.
Yeah, look at this wick here. Look at this wick. Bam and...
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is scary, man. I don't know. And let's repeat that. GJ is in a delicate situation. I started looking into it when Raja did, but I don't have any knowledge on it. Oh, I don't know what you guys talking about. Sorry. Oh, that was Phil Miller. Yes, sir, Miller. Man, look, I have only a wick and you have a candle. Oh, that's just depends on different providers. I actually started a few months ago by accident and had a heck of a luck. Oh. Alright, Sasha, please let me know if I got it right this time. Oh, let's see. Let's see if you got it right. Let's see if you got it right. Oh man, oh, you put your writing in black, so that's good. I guess you got this right. Is this an impulse entry if I enter a trade off the 30-minute candle closing below support? It's an impulse entry if you're taking the entry while the candle is moving, kind of, you know. And that is EU, yes. Yeah, it makes sense, but again, this is the same trade here. You make sure that you got this zone here. So that's what you need to be careful of. What did you say, Zane?
He sent a live chart, like that's it. If you see it's actually moving.
Oh. Hey, Sasha. Oh, you sent another one. That's what you mean. Okay.
No, I said, look, you see when it says the time
When is it what?
on the chart, on the chart, he said it's got the time. It's live, so it's moving. That's probably what he meant by impulse.
Oh, I see. Okay. What? GA. Let's take a look. GA.
Yeah, I was wanting to say if it closes engulfing
Yeah.
below like this line of support.
Oh yeah, that would be really good. Actually, I might take a sell here on GA, because I mean, for me, this is if it closed like this right now in 15 minutes. Looking at the 15 minutes, pretty good. But I want this 30-minute to close like this. If it closed like this right here, for me, under this QP, engulfing bearish, break and retest. I mean, I got mini confirmation here. So for me, it would have made sense. I got clean traffic to the left side. So yeah. So I think, yeah, I got to see how this 30 minutes going to close.
Would you put your stops just above support of previous support so that if it does stop here, it's going back into the range?
Let's see how big if the stop is. I can put it above this bearish candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that will be good. That would be good.
And also, if you come out a bit on GA.
If you're what?
On GA, there's clean traffic on both sides of the previous price.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so like.
Yeah.
Like here.
Right here. And this at this QP, yeah, you're starting to have some rejection right here. You know, so yeah, I mean, it can be a nice.
The price is just holding up at this area almost.
Nice move here. So we gotta wait. Oops, sorry, man. Go ahead. Sorry. Kind of moved too quickly. All right, so let's go back to GJ. What do you think about? Okay, we'll answer that. Please tell me your view, Sasha. Let's take a look. And Charlene's gonna take a look at this one. Your turn.
Okay, okay, lost the trade because he entered in a range, did not wait for a clean retest of the resistance, and price came right back inside that goat shit zone there. And that's what that is. A whole bunch of noise. I would have waited for a clean break above and maybe a support to be formed above that resistance and then a break of a high to get more confirmation.
Yeah, makes sense.
That's a lot of ranging. Like that whole area, I wish I could mark it up here, but that whole area.
Oh, you can use annotate.
Okay, let me see.
On Zoom.
Let me see. Where is that at here? Using this on a map is so different to me. Let's see.
Mark's getting that wheelchair again.
There we go, annotate. Okay. So, like, can you guys see my line here?
Not yet. Oh, here we go. Yes, now we can. Orange? Yeah.
Yeah, it's acting up right now.
Perfect.
Oh my god, this area right here, inside this box here, like, that's just goat shit inside there. I would have waited for price to break above all of this, clean break above all of that, and then I would have waited for kind of a support to be formed above here, and then took an entry.
Yeah.
There. But sorry about the mess. It looks really ugly.
No, that's fine.
But yeah, this is a bad. Like, this is just ranging inside here.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, same thing. It would be for me. This area is a big no-no. And the thing too is you took your trade on what? You took your trade on a 15 minute. So 15 minute when it breaks, sometimes it will fake you out and come back in the range. So that's why I stick with 30 minute. And yeah, and especially that here, if you look at those wicks here, you want to make sure you break those first, and close above, not just wicks and came back down. So yeah, it was when price into constellation, you want a solid break. There's too many time I tried to take a move outside of consolidation zone and I got myself trapped into a fake out. And you know what, now I prefer just missing the move if I don't get a solid confirmation that we're gonna keep on going. So like GA right now, at GA, you see GA right now is giving me that solid confirmation. And if it goes back in the range at this stage, let's say that this candle closed engulfing, I mean, it is what it is. It's just like I gotta take my chance because usually most of the time I will win in this kind of setup. So I'm gonna take it. But I need this candle to close solid engulfing under that QP, and for me that's gonna be a good confirmation.
Sasha.
Yep.
I don't know if I'm speaking too much about it, or if it was to close, let me get this and take thing. If it was to close like where it is right now,
Yep.
like on to the left, if you go to the left and here as another bit of price action to the left, and if it ends up close like this, that'll be 3 times its kind of.
No, exactly. That's why I'm being super specific about it, because I want this candle to close under those, because that's gonna match under this also. So I want to make sure it closes engulfing under this minor kind of support, right? So that's why I want it very engulfing. I'm not gonna take it if it doesn't close under those.
That's how I was gonna say, yeah. It has to close like around here.
Yeah. So I'm being very picky about it. The reason why is because I want to make sure I get a win out of it. And yeah.
Hey, Sachu.
Sachu, really?
Comment t'aurais managé le dernier chart que tu t'es fait envoyer? Le dernier trade?
Au niveau du risque management?
Non, comment t'aurais cut tes losses?
Celui-là, là?
Ouais.
Ben, c'est pas compliqué. Aussitôt que cette chandelle-là a viré de bord, dans le fond, la personne le pris là, sur le break ici, right? Aussitôt que le prix a retourné dans le range, j'aurais fermé.
Exact.
Parce que because that's the other thing. That's a good point that Jimmy is pointing out. How are you gonna manage this trade? The last chart we had. The thing is, this is actually a very good question, Jimmy. And if you took your entry like based on this candle and you took it next, as soon as price comes down in that range, you should be closing your trade. You should not wait to hit your stop loss. I mean, you should close very quickly right here. Now you close 50% when it broke the low, but to be honest, when you're taking an impulse entry out of a consolidation zone, you're not expecting price to come back in that zone. So if it goes back in it, I mean, you should close right away a percentage, but it's actually good that you manage it like this, but you can close it earlier than this because it's not supposed to come back in that range if you're looking for trade out of a consolidation zone, right? Oops, what the hell I did.
Hey, Sasha, could you go back to GA real quick?
Yeah.
Can we see how the 1 hour is closing since it's the last 15 minutes?
Sure.
Oh, huge rejection. Okay.
Yeah, no, I like this too. I like this. That's a pretty nice wick retest. Broke the low, so to be honest, if it was already 8 or 8:30, I would have taken this, on the break of the low.
Right. Looks pretty promising on the 1 hour.
Yeah. No, I like those. I call those the dog tail retest. It leaves like a tail at the back, So I like that wick retest, and when it breaks the low, I take my entry, but it was just a little too early for me.
One of the guys that took my in-person course he mentioned you in the class and mentioned the little dog tail.
Oh, really?
And I said, yeah, that's a pretty cool name for it. Dog tail.
keeping the contest, not the contest, keeping the concept, right?
That's a good way to look at it, because it's not a traditional retest, right? But
No.
technically it is a retest.
It is.
A quick retest, not a support or resistance stuff.
And also, Sasha, on the daily, it's only just now started to make a downward, because you see where it was consolidating, that's where it was making that upward there. So now it's starting to come down. I mean, a huge wick rejection, we've got a huge wick to fill.
Yeah, that's pretty good, man. I think GA looks pretty good right now. I just want to make sure we get a wick here. Alright, let's see. Here, GA.
Hopefully it doesn't leave us like it did last time.
Yeah.
Il n'y a rien comme attendre une demi-heure pour avoir un nouveau wick close.
There's nothing like waiting a full 30 minutes or an hour for a candle to close with no wick, just like it's so horrible. You're like, all right, that's gonna be awesome trade, blah blah blah. Finally this close with no wick. It's like, oh man. Let me see here.
The only thing about GA is that we see the move clearly, but is there enough volume to push it?
Yeah, that's the other thing. There's not much volume, but hopefully now we should be getting the NY open volume. So that should help a little bit.
And in the chat, someone said, Sasha, no beer.
Sasha, what?
No beer.
No beer. Yeah, no, it's too early for a beer, man. It's too early for a beer. It's a nice round number. Okay, yeah. On Monday, usually unfinished business from last Friday gets played. We just need GA to wick out now. Yes. Don't forget, I called it before it happened. Oh. Gold is in a delicate situation. Oh, yeah, we're gonna take a look at gold. Les bougies bleues et blanches me jettent hors tension. Ah oui, pourquoi non? Sont belles les bougies bleues et blanches. Sont très belles, très jolies. C'est très calme le bleu et le blanc. Hi Sasha, can you take a look at my gold setup? Okay, let's take a look at it. What time is it now? Please guys, remember me. Just give me a reminder when it's a minute left. So don't forget. What the hell?
Bitcoin to moon crossed 42,000.
Gold you talking about? Woo, look at gold.
Just a Tesla purchase right now.
Bitcoin, who?
Wow, man. From 39 to 42,000.
That's crazy.
Crossed the 42. I just bought the Bitcoin.
Waiting for gold
Why
to...
Tesla is buying now?
Yeah, well, it's Elon Musk. He can do anything, man. What do you mean, why?
Yeah, but why? Why? I mean...
I don't know, man. This guy is a new Donald Trump. You gotta follow him.
Yeah, you talk about the Dogecoin, and it tripled.
I know, it's...
Yeah.
Those kind of things just drive me nuts.
Hey, so those gold buys played right out, didn't they?
Well guys, one person at a time. What?
Hey, gold buys played right out, didn't they?
Yeah. Gold play is working out right now. If you look at it...
Sancho FX Star, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hey man, so what's up? I basically just found your channel.
Okay.
You can hear me, right?
Yes, I hear you.
So I see you using quarter theories, right?
Yes, I do.
Alright, good. Look, because of that, I'm actually gonna teach you something if that's cool. You mind me if I do real quick? Just hear me for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
You know what front running is?
You know what?
Do you know what front running is?
A what, sorry?
Front running.
A friend's running?
No, front.
Oh,
Yeah,
front. Sorry.
Yes.
Okay.
Front running. Do you know what that is?
No, go ahead.
All right, so let's go ahead and any chance you can bring up the U.S. dollar? I'm doing this because I'm being nice. I like to give it out to the community a bit.
Sure, no
Any
problem.
chance you
Man.
can bring up the U.S. dollar? Perfect.
Sure. Give me 1 sec. I just want to make sure I don't miss my trade on G. Give me 1 sec here.
Yeah, I have no problem. Yeah.
What time is it now? Yeah, give me
I'm gonna
1
show you
sec.
something pretty cool.
Yeah, perfect. Let me just enter this trade very quickly. And we're going to go take a look at it. Just going to wait for this candle to close.
77.50. Good. Let me see GBP Aussie dollar.
Are you really going to close with no wick? Please don't do that.
I'm gonna show you something really cool, by the way, to get better entries and everything. Just hear me out, though.
Yeah, we're gonna take time to hear you out for sure. Always open to listen. Let's take a look here.
No wick.
Yeah, pretty tiny. So
Wick on GJ too, man.
Yeah, GG's horrible, man. He couldn't close below 50 and without down wick.
yeah, I took a small risk on GA.
I'm falling asleep right now. God damn.
Took a small risk on GA. Put my stop above the previous 30 minutes. And yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Let's go, Sacha.
All right, so now let's go to US 30, right? That's what you want?
Yeah,
US
the
30.
US dollar. Yep.
US 30. I don't even have US 30 here.
Oh, you can just type in US dollar. That's who.
Oh no, I don't have it here. Do-doom. Why specifically on US 30?
Oh no, the US dollar. US
Oh.
DOLLAR. Yeah, no, that's cool. Don't worry.
Why specifically the USD?
So, what's your winning percentage for using the quarter theories? What's your winning percentage?
Oh, I don't use. Okay, I use it as hints on the market. I don't base my trade out of the quarter points, right? So my trade are based mostly on price action, but I keep an eye on quarter points just to see like where a price can react. So I use that as a tool, an extra tool.
Alright, that's perfect. So I'm going to teach you how to get a 94% average in Forex. It's a little secret, so I can tell you. So you see the US dollar? Type in the US dollar if you want. US, not the USDN, the futures market, US dollar.
Just type in DXY.
No, type in USDOLLAR. Perfect. Now go to futures. Go to the futures one.
He means US index.
Yeah, the US index, basically, yeah.
Index, okay.
So Sacha, you put
DX.
US index.
DXY.
Oh,
DXY. Oh, DXY.
The Dixie, pretty much, yeah. I should have just said that.
Why I cannot? Oh, DXY.
Just write it.
This one?
No, Sasha, go to all.
Yeah, that one is fine. That's the US index.
Why?
Oh, sorry, the Franglish. Hey man, I'm French.
Perfect. Use that one. Yeah, use that one.
Yeah.
Perfect. Is it that one or should you use the NASDAQ? All right, go on the. Let me see. That's the 30-minute, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me see that. All right, perfect. So you see the candle? You see the big blue candle? Look at it. Like, tell me if you can point to it.
This one?
Not that one. The other one to the left. Keep
This
going.
one?
That one. You see that one?
Yep.
What if I told you you can catch that bump?
Tell me how.
So this is what you call front running. Go on the 20-minute.
20.
So hold up. This is divisible by 6. All right. Hold up. My name's. All right. This is the code name. Pikachu. Don't say anything. That's my name. Don't ask anymore.
Okay.
I didn't come up with this strategy. Just say that no matter what, you're good at, there's always an Asian dude smarter, period.
Okay.
It's true. All right, that's all you gotta know. So so front running is basically, you see that pump on the 30-minute? So that happened because of the two EMAs. The EMAs, but also mixed with price action. So if you put on the two EMAs, the 8 and the 21, those are the most used EMAs for the algos. And I can also show you my screen, so I'm not bullshitting you if you want.
Yeah, okay. You know what? We can take some times together in private, and after that we can do a stream together if you want. But right now, just gonna be focusing here on pairs that we're trading. But I hear what you're saying, and I think it's pretty great. I think we just need to take some time for us, because right now I cannot share my screen right now. I need to keep that screen on.
Actually, would it be cool if I share my screen real quick? I want to show you something.
Not for now. Not for now. We'll do it together if you want. But right now, we're just gonna leave the screen right now, because we need to keep on looking at trades from people. They're gonna send charts, so I want to make sure we help them out. But for sure, we're gonna be able to take a look at it, right?
Oh wait, go to the GBP. Oh, you're on the GBP end. So you see 144.837.
The what? Sorry.
144.837.
Yep.
All right, so that's where I got into the beginning of the pump, and I got out straight at a couple pips later, on 20 pips.
All right,
And that's
awesome.
all based off of the quarter theories with the EMAs and another indicator, and that gives you a 94% average.
All right, great, man.
So
You know what?
talk
Send
about
me
that later on.
send me a DM on IG, and we'll set up sometimes together. I'm curious.
You can use Discord.
Yes, I'm on Discord also.
Oh, perfect. Sure, let me get you Discord.
All right. Perfect. So now, all right. So let's see here.
Mais là, avec tout ça, est-ce que Jupiter va être aligné avec Mars? Puis...
Oh, ça c'est une bonne question. Ça c'est une bonne question, man. Took sell on GJ, and should I stick with first SL? I brought SL at B, then sprint. Okay, let's take a look here.
Oh yeah, and by the way, this is all free information. I'm not gonna sell you some random bullshit or make you join whatever. This is just 100% free.
No, that's fine, bro.
100% free, 100% proof, and also there's a way to trade loose pumps. It's 99% if you want to know.
It's okay. Just send me that message, and we're gonna take a look at it.
Alright, perfect. What's your
Thanks, bro.
Discord username?
It's Discord. I don't even know my username on Discord, but I don't even know my username on Discord, to be honest. But go on IG. It's written here. It's Sasha_FXDog.
Sasha. Let me see. I'm really
It's gone, and I'm not back.
No.
No,
Aucune chance,
Non,
mon
mais
gars,
c'était genre-
aucune chance.
No. Okay, so let's take a look at this trade. Okay, so
Pauvre Satch, man.
let's get back at this. So sell below 144.61 if candle close below the support. All right. 2 took sell. SL at minus 9 pips. Candle close below the support and retest that support, and that's GJ 30-minute, right? Brought down SL. So you're managing your risk. Perfect. You put back your stop there. Clean candle to the left. Close plus 5 pips. 30-minute candle close bullish. Looks like support created. SL hit at break even. Oh, damn it. But it's okay because you manage your risk, right? But I think now you should be good to continue down, because technically this candle didn't broke previous high, broke previous low, so we should reach that next support here on GJ, to be honest. So now let's see what we got here. GJ sitting on that QP again. Let's take a look at GA. How is GA doing? GA is starting to come down. I'm now in like one of my entries at 4 pips profit, the other ones are like 1, so just taking forever to go.
Oh, the one with 3,920 followers, right? That's it?
The what, sorry?
The one Sasha Dupont server, that's it?
Yes, that's me.
Perfect.
Thank you. All right, so let's see here. We got some charts incoming. We got. Where is that chart? I saw a chart coming up for gold. Here. Can you check this quickly? Sure. We can take a look at it.
support over here though too. On a 30-minute, 15-minute.
On GA, you mean?
Yeah.
Oops, give me 1 sec here. On GA. We're talking about the 15-minute what?
We are on a little support on 15 and 30 minutes. Around 78600.
I don't see any support there.
You go back.
Oh, back there?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
Yep.
But this is,
right there.
yeah,
Right there.
this is my most recent traffic, right? So that's what I'm looking at. But I understand, yes, I keep an eye on this. When we looked before, I saw it, I spot it, and that's why I only enter 1% risk, right? So
Yeah.
that was the reason. That was one of the reason. The second reason is there's low volume where Monday, so I'm being very cautious here.
Yep. Great.
Let's go back to this chart very quickly because I didn't answer. Where's this one? Okay. So here, this is EU. Lower high created. Strong bearish trend. Possible wick fill on the daily. Entry at okay. A lower high is created. Actually, a new high is created. So when this happened, to be honest, I'm not looking into sales because you see this is a change of trend. So you got a new high being created. So now you got to wait for support to be formed to retest the high. So that would be my play on this one. Will be, yes, you can look for sell under here. That makes sense. But there's a good chance you're going to form support to retest that high. Because this is a change of trend right here. All right, so let's take a look. Next trend, next chart here. Hey Mark Stavo, and peace guy, nice to each other. Smash that like button for the pack. Oh, thank you Mark, thank you. Alright, ciao, bonne journée.
Ciao.
Yeah, don't forget to give a like to the stream, guys. That'll be very appreciated. We don't ask for much, but that will be very, very appreciated if you give a like to the stream. And if we get 500 likes, I don't know how, but I'm gonna get Kerwin to dance. Or maybe I'm gonna get Charlene to dance. Oh, what's up with that? Oh, can we get Charlene to dance? Okay, 500 likes, we're getting Charlene to dance. Oh, you got yourself into something now. Alright guys, if you need to create more accounts, let's create more accounts. Let's just get that to 500 likes.
We'll get my dog to dance.
Alright. Oh, that's pretty awesome. Oh yeah, we're gonna get it. We just increased by 30 likes in a second. We're gonna get 500. We're so gonna get 500.
You're gonna do the funky chicken or something, I don't know.
Or someone says maybe we can get Zane to rap. Or maybe. Maybe.
Do you rap, Zane?
No, we don't. Alright, so whoa, what's going on here?
You should.
Alright. So let's see what we got here. Alright, this. GA is sell. Yes, it looks like it. Hopefully, because I took one. Hopefully. Now it's bullish. And yeah, creating a top wick. So let's see. Oh, it goes. Oh, this is 15 minute. Okay, 30 minute. 1 hour look good. Broke previous low on the 1 hour. So technically we should come up here to create that top wick. And after that we should continue down. Technically it should make sense. And yeah.
Yeah, it's looking good, and because obviously the previous on GA, the previous candle was kind of big. So if it does change on us, it'll probably make a bullish candle first.
Yeah, can be.
You could say you could start closing positions then, but right now I'm just doing alright.
All right. Yeah, I would give a shit about jumping into oh. Why would you tell the search you for?
Okay, Sasha, how many pips do you usually aim for?
I always aim. I secure my profit around 11 pips, and I let a runner run.
Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. Dem Sasha, really don't want to look at my gold trade. Oh, just send it back. Sorry, man. Just trying. I'm trying to. I'm trying to see as much chart as we can. But yes, sometimes I miss some. So send it back. Sasha manipulating the light market in the gulag. Yeah. Sasha, are you managing your trade on GA? It is moving bullish. Oh yeah, because I understand how candle prints, and I understand that it's normal for this candle to print a top wick first before coming down. So that's why right now I'm not nervous. Gold trade. Oh, here. Copy. All right. So this is gold from AA Forex. All right. So let's take a look at it. All right. So gold in profit right now, but coming back into your stop loss. Yeah, but the thing is, probably you were missing a zone here because, I mean, if you look, you're right at resistance. So I think that was very, 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 very tricky to take a buy here. So that would be a big no-no for myself. So be careful. Always look to the left, see what's happening, and you see there's a resistance right here. So yeah. All right. So let's take a look here. GJ scalp trade. Oops. What? Oh. Thank you guys. Oh, thank you for the support, man. I appreciate that. It's not easy. I gotta say, it's not easy, man. Raja may look easy. Oh, this is the same one, but it is not easy.
Hey Sasha.
Yep.
My gold trade's on that Imgur. That's what I use like a snapshot tool. I usually send that to Raja. I actually marked it up, but I sent the trading view one because you weren't looking at it. So I didn't really mark up that one. But if you pull up the Imgur one, I already took profits.
Oh, that's good. On this one? This one we're looking at right now?
You see the Imgur link?
Yeah.
It's the newest link.
Oh, not. Oh, okay, hold on. Is that gonna work?
Yeah, it's just like a.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
So I took it once it broke the 1 hour high.
Oh, here we go, yeah. Oh, that's good. Yeah. Be very careful, yeah, because here there's some reaction, right? So you secure your profit?
Yeah, I took 80% at
Perfect.
12 and then the rest at 20.
Excellent. Perfect.
Yes, that's right.
You make it look easy too. Oh, thanks. I don't think so, but thank you very much. Thank you. New York Open was 15 minutes. Okay. You guys talking? Okay. Sasha, do you use MT4, MT5 to execute your trade? Is MT4 or MT5 better? I use MT4 because I'm old school and I don't know. I feel good in my old shoes and I don't know. I just use MT4. Is it better? I don't know because I never tried MT5. Everybody's saying it's good. I guess it's just preference right there. And just for me, it doesn't matter. Just I want the platform to execute my trade and close it when I need it. And after that, I don't need more than that, to be honest. So.
I agree. I didn't find any difference.
Yeah, exactly.
MT5 is the same. There's not that much of a difference. It's kind of like there's some more features to it, but they're both dinosaurs at the end of the day.
Yeah, and we don't. And personally, I don't use MT4, MT5 to do anything else than taking my orders. So.
Exactly. No big deal.
Sasha.
Yep.
For me, when I'm in a trade, like if I'm around like 6-7 profit pips pips in profit, I'm normally changing my stops to break even or something like that. Do you have like a number, like if you get to this amount, you're gonna change or you're gonna move your stops?
To be honest, I used that in the past. I was using auto break even on Magic Key. I was putting it, let's say, at 7 pips, I think, at one point, or 8 pips. The problem was it was choking my trades, so that's why I stopped using that. I just let it go, and when it hits my partial TP, now at this point it moved my stop to break even automatically. Because yeah, I tried that, and you know what? I was using that when I was getting some losses, and you lose a little bit of confidence. So you're trying to, you don't want to lose more, so you put your stop at break even too soon, right? And it doesn't help you because it choke your trade. So you hit your break even, and after that, trade goes your way. So that's why I kind of stopped to use that. All right. So that's good. So Charlene, did you take anything?
No. This is gonna be a no trade day for me. I stopped trading G, so I'm not looking at that at all. And GJ's there's no volume.
Yeah, it's GJ is doing nothing.
Yeah, so I'm no trade today. I'll probably see maybe I'll look at Asian session tonight. If not, we'll look London for tomorrow.
There we go.
But you should be in profit on GA now.
Yeah. I'm like 7 pips, 6 pips right now. So yeah. So I got one position right at the opening of the candle, and I got a second position while retracing up. So that one's at like 5 pip profit. The other one's like at 2 pips. So
good stuff.
So we'll see how it goes. But GJ is doing shit. Wow, sitting at a QP, no volume.
Hey Sasha, just a quick question.
Sure.
See with GJ, if this current bullish candle closes engulfing the previous one, I think that's gonna be a nice like roll back up, because the previous one closed at the QP exactly with no bottom wick, so if we engulf that, it could be nice little buy.
Yeah, I was actually in my head I was actually about to tell something here. I was because you're right, because if you look here, if you look to the left, what happened? Price came, form support at this, and what happened after that? Boom, shoot up. So now price coming down, creating the same kind of stuff right here. You can expect price to mirror that move. But I need a strong confirmation, right? So there we go. But totally makes sense. Oh, where's my mouse? Here. All right, Sasha, would you move your SL above the current 30-minute candle on GA once it closes a strong bearish candle? Yes, I will trail my stop. Also, at what point will you close half position? I will close half position on the next candle. If this 30-minute close, let's say bullish, I'm gonna close partials. If the next candle start to break that low, of course I'm gonna be out because I'm gonna be trading my stop. I want to reduce my risk, but I'm gonna wait for that 30-minute to play out, because most of the time when I actually manage my risk on the 15 minutes, you see, sometimes you're gonna be closing here, and because it closed bullish, but I took my trade based on the 30 minutes. So I want to see this 30 minute, how it's going to play out before managing my risk. So, and I know exactly how much I'm risking right now, and I'm willing to lose that, so I'm okay. The only time you're going to be stressed about getting stop loss is when you're over leveraging or, doing some stupid shit.
Yeah.
You know what it is. Everybody knows.
You should know exactly what you're going to lose before you enter a trade.
Exactly. If you're not willing to lose that,
Don't enter.
don't enter. Exactly. Just makes sense, Totally makes sense. Totally makes sense. Charlene, you should starting to be stressed right now because we are at we are at 395 likes. So we're missing 100 like to get Charlene to dance. Come on.
It was 500 likes, right? It was 500.
500. We are close. Missing 100. What? 100 to go. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
I'm gonna start practicing my routine in a minute.
We just reached 400. Oh, 410. Oh shit. Oh shit. We're so gonna get it.
You guys want to see me dance? Why? I can't dance.
Oh, come on.
Let's give it moves.
Oh yeah. Oh, we're about to see something pretty cool here. Since the market is slow and doing nothing, at least we're gonna get something interesting, right? 430 incoming.
Oh,
This thing is trending up.
no.
We are trending bullish right now.
We need GA to drop right now. That's what we need.
Man, the likes are trending bullish. 440.
Oh my god.
We're still gonna get it. Oh man. I see people creating accounts right now. They're creating fake accounts to.
They're calling their family. Everybody like this right now.
Yeah. I don't know what is it. Doesn't matter. Just like it. 451.
Oh man.
Oh man. Oh, you better start looking for a song into your phone to put some music.
Yeah, I gotta start looking for something right now.
Oh boy, that's gonna be fun. All right, to the moon, those likes. The one who disliking are using 10% trade. Oh yeah. I wish I took a trade on the like, but 460.
Almost there.
Send YouTube link to all WhatsApp app group. Oh yeah. Someone's having a lot of background noise, guys. Just mute yourself, please.
Charlie.
What?
I have a question for Charlie.
Oh, Charlene, someone has a question for you.
Yeah, so I was not there at the beginning of the stream, so I don't know if you respond to this question, but what is your background in Forex market?
Hey, guys, before you answer this, let me mute someone because we're having a lot of background noise here. Let me try to find... Oh, Shazim. Why can I not... Okay. Let's mute everyone. There we go. Wow, thank you. Okay, so Charlene and Jimmy can unmute yourself.
Yeah, so I don't know if you respond to this question, but I was not there at the beginning of the stream. So, what is your background in Forex market?
I've actually been trading just over 2 years now. I'm a student of Raja's and market fluidity, along with Sasha. I had been trading for roughly about a year before I discovered Raja. And after joining market fluidity, just kind of after about 3 months of backtesting and practicing and finding consistency with that, I just took off with my trading from there. And then about maybe 7 or 8 months after that, I created my own course, and now I have my own kind of platform for my own students and things like that. So I was just really inspired by the way Raja operates, the way he's, you know, he genuinely cares about his students, about seeing people become successful. And he kind of had the same story that I had, which is why I related to him well. When it comes to learning how to trade and getting, you know, no responses from people, getting ignored, buying different courses, and just struggling with it. So, and on top of that, I was a female. There's not a lot of female traders, and I just wanted to show that, you know, it's a boys' club, but some of the girls can take over and join as well. So I just wanted to be one of the mainstream female traders out there that can show that, you know, there are people that genuinely care about people struggling with trading, and that it is possible. If you don't give up and you just continue with what you're doing, you build up your discipline, you focus on, you know, one or two pairs, you take one or two trades, that strategy really does work. It really does. So that's pretty much, you know, my background. And then I met Sasha through market fluidity, and we all just kind of clicked and connected together, and we're just one big happy family.
That's it. It's pretty good.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Yeah, someone says, where can I find Charlene? If you look at her name on Zoom, Charlene FX, I'm pretty sure if you type that in your Instagram, you're going to be able to find her. And someone says, Charlene, can you slap the shit out of talking options?
You know what?
Did talking option went on your case?
You know what? I don't know what it is with that girl, man. I think she's doing it for clout, honestly.
Oh,
because
yeah.
people sometimes they like negativity, right? So if she goes after all the big guns out there, it's gonna bring her some more clout to her platform. So I don't know what that's about with her, but she's giving girls a bad name, man. She's making it tougher for those of us that are trying to make a name for ourselves, you know? It's the Forex community is very small, but it can be very toxic at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
So you have people that are adding to the negativity of it. It just makes them look bad, because the real traders, they know who's real out there. They know who's real and they know who's fake.
Oh, yeah.
It's very difficult to maintain a fake image on in Forex, because eventually you're going to be exposed if you are. You know what I'm saying? So with her, honestly, I really think it's just about clout. It really is. And I was surprised when Ted did an interview with her, live with her.
Yeah, me too.
Man, like Uncle Ted, you know, come on. But I don't think about negative stuff, man. Negative people, going after people. I mean, does that help you in any way? It doesn't. Just focus on yourself. Think about yourself and do what you need to do, and don't think about all that crap. That's irrelevant. So I actually want her to come after me. I would love it if she did.
Oh, man, I would love that, man. I'm actually a pretty good player at this.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to play that game, we're going to have a lot of fun.
Yeah, I can. If she comes after me, I will welcome it with open arms.
That's going to be fun. I can't wait for, for her to talk and hearing that guy in the background. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Can you prove it? Yeah, let's go.
Oh, it's so funny, though. It's just like, anyways. Hey, talking about that, I mean, we're out of the subject right now, but I mean, I'm looking at the likes and we are at 482. So, so 18 more likes and you're gonna start dancing, girl.
You guys gotta stop creating fake accounts, man.
486. Oh, it's coming up. We're so gonna get that 500 likes.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, what kind of dance we want to see? Okay, so let's see here. Let's see what kind of music we're gonna use. 497. Shoot up. ADP News came in on the like. 501. Let's go. Oh, who disliked that? We went down to 499, so we cannot do it. We need to stay above 500. I think someone's having your back, Charlene. She's like, okay, I'm gonna dislike. Okay, we went back to 401, 402. Okay, so we're good to go. Come on. So you're gonna have to move your camera so you're gonna be able to see.
Yeah, right.
Come on, come on. All right. So what kind of beat? What kind of beat we're gonna get?
Somebody beatbox. Somebody unmute and beatbox me something.
We need some music.
Yeah.
Oh, someone is playing with the likes. We went down to 494. What's up with that?
Those are the fake accounts.
What's up with that? What's up with that? Oh, we're going up. Fine. It's like GA right now. It's oh, 499. Missing one. All right, so you got your song. Oh, 502. Okay, all right, let's do it.
I don't know. What song? Let me check YouTube and see.
Okay. We'll wait for that. That's gonna be fun. I'll dance with you.
Oh,
Man, this trade is taking forever.
it's snowing. It's snowing. It's the snow.
It's no volume. Yeah, it's snowing. Yeah. Oh, someone says twerk. All right, we're just about to see something pretty cool. Oh, I think you're mute. Are you muted? Oh no, you're not. All right, this. Let's take a look at GJ. While the DJ is getting ready here. Come on, DJ, spin that shit.
I'll look for something now.
All right.
Trying to keep it PG, you know.
Yeah, for sure.
But I don't want your YouTube to get demonetized. You know, if you play some music, because that happened to me. I did a live and I had like Pandora playing in the background, and I got all these alerts from YouTube saying,
Oh yeah.
They were gonna demonetize it because of the copyright.
Yeah, what I did in the past, I was actually playing from my phone, just for 20 seconds. So far, so good. I didn't got anything. So a 20 seconds dance, not much.
Okay. All right, let's see here.
Sacha, pourrions-nous regarder l'indicateur chinois? Ouais, no. People's talking about the Chinese indicator. I'm not really looking at it. Oh, we got some twerk. Oh.
Nah, we're gonna keep it PG, guys.
We gotta keep it clean.
Let's see. I can't find. Let me see something.
Shane says, I think 15 second is copyright limit. Oh.
Oh, okay, that's what it is.
Maybe. Man, this trade is taking forever.
Yeah, but these types of trades, you just gotta be patient and you just get a big push. Let's come.
Yeah, just need
You broke the legs just now, is that?
Yeah, we just no, yes. I just broke the low, so technically we should continue down on GA. SL above 30 minutes. Not exactly above 30 minutes. Just a little higher of the past 30 minutes. I'm gonna put it on my zone on the chart. So I moved my stop kind of right here. But if it breaks previous high, I'm gonna be closing positions. Probably gonna close 50%.
Yeah, we could, no.
Should be off to the race pretty soon. What is it? 8:40? Yes. Look at GJ doing nothing. Phew. Let's go, GA. Let's do it. Oh, Charlene's getting mentally ready. I can see it. I can see it. She's visualizing the move. She's seeing the move in her head. She got 15 seconds, but that 15 seconds gonna count. Alright, that GA trade is going good now. Alright.
Well, I'm gonna be off. Thank you, Sasha, and everybody on the stream.
The what, sorry?
I said I'm gonna be off, so thank you.
Oh, thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in, man.
Have a good one, ciao.
Have a great day, ciao. Someone says GJ is waiting for Raja. Yeah, I guess so. But now GA is doing good, and 4 pips away from partial TP. So let's go. Let's go. Volume increasing on GA, decreasing on GJ. Yeah, I don't know what's happening. But hopefully you can get that little spike so I can trigger my PTP. Sasha, question for Charlene, please. How did she grow her lot size? Okay, we're going to ask her that when she comes back. Laureen, if you search Charlene FX, she will come up on... Oh, yeah.
So Sasha?
Yep.
Despite GA, like, what's the word? But 10 pips in GA and 10 pips in GA is different.
Yeah, oh, totally, yes.
So would you still secure
Nice one, boys.
Yeah, and just my part. I'm missing it by like a tiny pip. Like 0.6 pip needed. Come on.
Saying it depends on the amount per pip.
Yes.
On GA, the risk is much less than on GJ. I don't know if you get me.
Yeah.
The value of the pip is much less on GA than on GJ.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Would you still TP at 10 pips despite the pip value being less?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You just increase the size and that's it.
That's it. Yeah, exactly.
Oh, okay.
Because here we go. PTP hit. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, 500.
Booyah! Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. This is a good win. And what do we play? Oh, Chardonnay is going on. Holy shit.
That's the song.
Here we go. So, yeah, that's pretty amazing. Beautiful. Pretty awesome. Oh, yeah, we just tapped into that 500, so I'm going to close one of my runner here.
Smash.
Awesome trade, man.
Alright, so guys, if you guys took that GA trade sell, please don't forget to give a like to the stream, share it out on Instagram. I think that was a pretty good sell here on GA. Took a little while to play it out, but when volume came in, boom. Pretty awesome. Yeah, so to answer, to come back to your question, Zane, about because I was focusing on my thing here, but to come back what we are saying, I will still aim for 10 pips, even if the pips value are lower on GA. But instead of, let's say you want to risk, if you're using percentage risk, it doesn't matter, right? Because it's gonna adjust. It's gonna adjust, right? But if you're using fixed lot size, what you can do, you can just increase your fixed lot size, or maybe add one more position. You know.
Because what I did for this one is I use the same lot size, but I just, instead of taking profits at 10 pips, I put my partials, not partials, but I closed some of my position 80% at 500.
Oh, okay, I see. That's good. That's good also. But personally, I like to secure like around 11. Personally, I always secure at 11 pips. So yeah.
So I'm off. Take care, Wolfie.
Take care, buddy.
On se revoit demain.
Yes. Tomorrow, same channel, same time. And yeah.
Okay, perfect. So take care, guys.
Take care.
Yeah, Sasha, can you go on the 1 hour really quick?
Yep, sure. Let me just see here. Okay, perfect. Where's the Raja horn? Oh yes, we don't have a horn here. We play the Who Let the Dogs Out. It's our anthem. It goes with the concept, right? So see you tomorrow, bro. All right, take care. Can we get who yeah? Yeah, Charlene, get it, girl. Oh, someone was encouraging you dancing. I guess I'm late on the comments. Legend Sasha, thank you. I want your mentorship when it becomes available. Oh no, thank you. Just make sure you're in the Telegram group. I'm gonna releasing in there. Great trade today, man. Thank you. Hey Sasha, can you say meow meow for your cat lovers audience? That's funny. All right, perfect. So now I'm up to date. Okay. You want to see the 1 hour, Zane? Let's take a look at 1 hour here.
And you come out a little bit, like, a bit more.
Whoops! What happened here? Like this?
Yeah, but try to get like a bit more on the screen, like, yeah. Because what I was thinking was, also to the left, this happens as well, like this area here. And if you scroll left,
yeah, same thing.
Yeah, here as well. So
yeah, well, that's why I closed one of my runner, and now I'm left with only one runner.
Because you can say that like you look for this area, but I think that's a bit too much. You'll be looking a bit greedy if you're looking for there. I think you should look to get out of positions around here because price might have a bit of.
No, exactly. So that's why now I closed that one hitting 500, and I closed 50% of that runner also. So I'm left with a very, very small position right now. So. But yeah, good catch here. But yeah, when I saw this here on the left, I was like, nah, even if this is the most recent traffic, you gotta keep that in mind, and especially this QP, it can be strong. So, is my stops at break even? Actually, I'm gonna put it. I like to put it like in the at least like 0.5 or just
to cover spreads.
Yeah, just psychological. I don't like it to be like in red, even if it's like 10 cents. It's just like I like in blues, right? So I'm gonna move my stop in a tiny thing of profit just to make sure. Yeah, that's me. That's my thing.
And also, you see how like you can say that this level here, it was ignored by price when it came up, but when it was in a bearish trend, I mean, coming down, it actually at 500, it actually created a bit of support.
Yeah. Here. So we might see the same thing here, having a hard time breaking down, but
so I still think it will come down, but I do think it may create like a, and even on a 30-minute, you can actually get another position if it does create support at that resistance.
Yeah, definitely. Let me just try to. What is the price here? This is 72.50. Hello.
Hello, can you check gold, please? It's just flying up. There is a 60 pip range. I closed on 40 pips, and I think it's just gonna keep going up because when equity opens on New York session, the candle broke latest high, so it went up almost like 40 pips now.
Okay, let's take a look.
I already sent you the link of the chart, like if you can check it. I'll send you again.
That's Barry?
Yes, it's me, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Break the high, wait for the candle to close, then enter clean move, 60 pip range, 40 pips in the bank. Ooh, nice, man. That's on gold. Ooh, that's good, Barry. That's actually good. On 5 minutes, 5 minutes usually plays pretty good. But 5 minutes on gold is usually good.
Yes, it's very good actually. Yes, it gives you a good confirmation. To be honest, I've been trading gold so much, so you gotta watch it up. Some of you guys on the Zoom meeting all said watch gold on the small time frame. So
yeah, correct. Yes, this is the.
Watch it on small time frames.
Yeah, that's the only pair I actually look in 15 and 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So that makes sense, man. Great catch, man. Congrats.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So you got some money from some good steak tonight.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, man. All right. Would you put your take profit near 78,450? I already secure profits. I secure profit at 11 pips, and after that, I close one of my runner at 500. My next target for my runners is 250, right here. Yo, Sasha, how's your funding talent going? It's on my main account with funding talent is on pause right now because I'm testing their new challenge. So and my first week on the new challenge was terrible. So now I'm coming back at it. But yeah, and it's to be testing it, right? So I personally don't need to be funded because I got my own capitals. So that's something I'm doing to make sure that everything works great. Withdrawals are there, customer service, so I'm able to refer student to a good program, right? Because I know there's going to be a lot of people who wants to get funded because they got small amount. So that's why I'm doing it. But like I said in previous lives, that probably this month, probably going to start focusing on my own capital. Because the thing is, I'm a little lunatics, right? When I trade two accounts at the same time, sometimes I let position open on one and forget to close on the other. I'm this kind of guy. I get distracted very easily. So I got myself into not trouble, but ending up losing some trade that I was winning on funding talent, but lost on my main account, because I completely forgot to close my trade. And yeah, so that's me, so probably going to start focusing on my own thing. But yeah, I'm going to keep going at it and keep testing it to make sure it's legit and everything is good for people. So that's the main reason why I did it at first.
GG pushing.
Yeah, GJ's probably pushing because GA is pushing also. So GJ is finally doing something. So, but again, here is really tight. You got this. GJ is gonna be good like after this area here. What is the price of this? 144. Oh, 144. Let's put this here.
Yeah, it's a very delicate situation.
It is, yeah. For me, I took my trade on GA, so I'm good, so. Yeah, because right here, if you measure this, anyone trying to sell this right now, this is a 16 pip range. There's not much you can do here. Especially look at this previous 30-minute that closed with no wick at the bottom. Kind of sketchy. What about GA? GA is pumping again. It's good. Breaking that 500 zone. So let's see if we can close above. If we can close above, not above, sorry, under, we should visit next QP. What do you think, Charlie?
I agree. We should continue down. I don't see anything stopping momentum right now, especially with volume that's coming in the market. It may retrace a little bit, but I mean, based on that clean traffic to the left, I'd be surprised if it came.
Yeah.
And also the candles, you can see that the candles are actually getting bigger and bigger and bigger.
Oh yeah.
A lot of selling pressure. That's a good trade. Really good setup.
Selling. Let's lock those. Yeah, runners now at 20 pips. Pretty good. All right. So I guess that's gonna be the end here. It's 9 o'clock. Yeah, I mean we got a good trade on GA. GJ's doing nothing, and let's see here if we have some last questions before we end this. Zane's chart. Zane, did you?
It's not really a chart. It's just
Oh.
Just showing. It is a chart, but it's just showing you what that how I took that trade basically.
Oh. Why it's not working? That's weird. Hold on. I don't know. Let me copy it again. There we go. Entry. You didn't put your stop at break even?
No, now it's at break even. Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay.
It's actually a bit below break even.
Yeah, me too. Yeah. Okay, perfect. That's good, man. I think that was pretty good. Now I just gotta see where we're gonna close this if the runner can continue. There are QPs on gold. Yes. Oh yes. Oh, that was answer from Charlene. Sorry. Yes, there are QPs everywhere on any pair basically. Please hold for a while. Oh, yes, I will. I will hold for... I'm going to let that runner go. If it hit my break even, it will hit my break even. Thanks, guys. You smashed it. Oh, thank you very much. Please have a look if my analysis was right. Okay. This is going to be probably the last chart. And after that, I need to go work.
All right, Sasha, I'm going to take off.
Hey, thank you very much for joining us, Charlene. It was amazing. Thank you.
Always.
It was amazing. So, are you coming tomorrow?
Thank you. All right, guys. Have a good morning. See
Yeah.
you guys tomorrow.
Are you going to be there tomorrow? Yeah?
Yeah, I'll be on tomorrow. But a little after, like around 7:30ish, around there.
That's fine. Thank you very much. See you there.
Very bye.
All right, so last chart here. This is GJ. All right, so we got once this candle break previous low, enter impulsive entry. Oh, bullish candle formation, close half position. Okay, great risk management. If this candle is able to break previous low, I assume the previous bull candle is a liquidity grab, second position to go further down. Yeah, it's a kind of a booby trap candle, kind of. So yeah, so this sell right here was way too early because if you see, there's basically no wick at the bottom. So that means there's less probability for price to continue down. So for me, I would not have entered this, and I would have waited for this candle to close bearish and take the trade on next candle.
Hey Sasha.
Yep.
Hey man, so the way that I found your channel was because I'm looking at somebody else's channel because so basically it was somebody pretty cool, good trader, And then I'm like, ooh, look at you, you're using quarter theories. So you see that whole move down on the GBPM? So
Yeah.
that huge move down if you go on the 30-minute, let's say?
Yeah.
Yeah, if you go on the GBPM on a 30-minute, I caught that whole move down from the top, and I posted it on the YouTube. Well, yeah, I basically posted it on the YouTube channel, and everybody ignored me. And I did this for 3 days straight, and I called out like 5-6 trades in totals throughout those 3 days, and everybody
That's
just
good.
ignored me. And everybody knew I made money.
That's good, man. But we just need right now. We just need to focus on what, because the thing is, when we try to focus on many stuff, it's really hard, you know. So it's good that you focus on one thing. So if you focus on one thing, you get wins, right? So you're focusing on your strategy. You're focusing on your strategy, and that works, and that's amazing. That's what I encourage any traders to do. It's focus on one thing, master it, and you're gonna win, right? There's many ways you can win on the market. You just need to master one thing and focus on one thing. That's why I tell people focus on one pair. It's like trying to go after many women. You know, it's not gonna work. You know, you gotta focus on one woman, right? So it's the same idea here, right? Same concept. You gotta know.
Yeah, I get that. But like, what I'm trying to show you is that this is the easiest way.
Yeah, no,
So, like,
I understand, but
you're using quarter theories. That's exactly how you
yeah,
do it. You're
dude.
using it.
Like I said, you sent me a message on Instagram. We're gonna take a look at this together right now. But right now on the stream, I just want to make sure we focus on our stuff right here. And after that, I mean, if we have a little talk together and I see that makes sense, yes, sure, we're gonna put it on the stream and we're gonna help more people, right?
Oh, definitely, man. Yeah, that's
all right.
On Insta.
Excellent, man. Excellent. And anyways, right now my time is done. Right now it's 9. I need to leave. And I want to thank everyone from tuning in. It was a great morning, great session. We're going to be on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to have a little bit more French into, but don't forget, you're not going to be freaking out, guys. Don't forget, I'm going to be translating everything. Because usually on Tuesday and Thursday, we do Franglish sessions. So basically, we have people in French and people in English. So we answer every question. And anything that I say in French, I say it in English. And everything I say in English, I say it in French also. So yeah, and tomorrow we should have also Stefanos send me a message this morning. Stefanos is going to be on tomorrow for sure. And I guess I need to check with Kerwin, but it was supposed to be on today. Maybe he had something. Should be on tomorrow also. So yeah, that's gonna be a cool session tomorrow. Maybe so. Today we had Charlene to dance, and I'm really expecting to get. Tomorrow Stefanos is booked. So Stefanos doesn't know. Don't tell him. But Stefanos is gonna have to dance if we reach 500 likes tomorrow. All right. So I think that's gonna be fun. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. And I'll see you tomorrow morning. We're going to start at 5:30 a.m. Eastern, right? Thank you very much again, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, Sasha.
Merci. Merci. Bonne journée.
Merci beaucoup.
How do I end this? Okay, here.